All right, I love that message at the end of that song. Morning, everybody. Morning, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Let me get the YouTube chat set up. How are we feeling? Gang, how are we doing? Y'all good? There they go. W's in the chat. Hey man, if you guys are fired up, if you love that song, The Journey, throw a W in the chat, baby. Let's do it. Dubs coming in, baby. Dubs coming in. W's coming in. W's going out, right? Blessed in the city, blessed in the field, blessed going in, blessed going out. Let's go. Yes, sir. I see you guys. W's. Happy Wednesday. It's gonna be a good day here today. Got a lot of good stuff ahead of us. Hey, there's Kate. Shout out to Kate. Here we go. Let me get this all out of here. How are you guys doing today? It's good to be back. Big congrats. Your channel went from 4 to 5 in a couple days. Yes, sir. Godspeed, Randy. Godspeed, brother. All right, we ready to go? Let's lower the music a bit. Yes, sir. Y'all feeling good? W's in the chat. W's in the chat. What up, Green? Good morning, Green. Good morning, Sam the Goat. Prickle's in the building. Good morning, Austin. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Red FX. Z Gamers in the building. Good morning, Real Rich. Kenzo. Good morning, Kenzo. Wall, baby. Gotta remember that boy's name. Remember his name. He's on the come up. Sam the Goat's in the building. What up, Bradley? What up, what up? What up, Caleb? Yeah, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Hey, good morning, Rita. All right. Let's get it. All right, let me just set the zoom up here. Send the link out into the Discord real quick, and then we're gonna get going. Cause I think do we have a candle? Oh, okay. Yeah, I was gonna say we may have this candle close bearish, and we may be able to take positions early here this morning. But let's see what happens with this candle. We got 8 minutes to go. So let's get rid of this. All right, cool. Hey, good morning, Henry. What's up, bro? Good morning, Dexter. Santiago's in the building. Morning, guys. Good morning, Peter. Shiro's in the house. Ricardo, good morning, bro. Okay, cool. I think we're good. Let me share my screen, and we're ready to roll. All right, cool. So gang, we're back. We're back for another day. Guess what today is? It's Wednesday. And what do we do on Wednesdays? Well, we do the same thing that we do on every day, right? We come to the desk as professionals here today, looking to be disciplined, looking to be patient, because we know that that's where the money is. We know where that's what pays in this business, right? What pays in this industry. So that's what we're gonna do. We understand that the impatient trader and the greedy trader they don't get anywhere, right? They continue to spin their wheels over and over in the same place. Oh yeah, Thursday. But not the professionals, right? The professionals, they're on their game. They're on target day in, day out. They don't budge on anything outside of their system, outside of their plan. And that's what we're gonna do here today, just like we do every day. So let's take a look at the news here, because we got some news coming in. We got a red folder here at 8:30. Unemployment claims right on time, right? Every single week. And then we have a little bit more news a little bit after 10 here, as Powell's going to be speaking again. So that's it, a couple orange folders, a couple more yellow folders as we move into, the later part of our session. We got crude oil inventories here at 11 a.m. too. So gang, we should have volume today. We should have some volume here today. We should be able to catch some really nice positions and do a good job here. So that's what we got going on for the news. And, just like any other day, we're going to let the news come out. We're going to follow price action, and we're just going to do what we do best. So let's take a look here at the charts, and let's see what's going on with gold, and let's see what's going on with pound yen, and let's also take a look at what's going on with US 30. And then if you guys want us to take a look at any other pairs during our chill time, we'll do that as well. Cool? Sound good? Y'all ready? We got 100 likes? Nope. Oh man, that's actually a little disappointing. That's actually a little disappointing. So yeah, once we get 100 likes, I guess we'll have to wait now. Just wait. Just wait on it. Yeah. All right. Perfect. Yeah, guys, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like, and let's lock in. Let's lock in. Like the stream so you could lock in real quick. All right, let's take a look at what we got going on here with gold. So let's see. So looking at the weekly time frame, we're starting to cruise here. We're starting to gain some mojo, right? Some volume coming in, and we have now successfully started breaking past these wicks. Right? If we're looking at the weekly time frame, we understand that a couple weeks back you had a really strong push up, and then during that push up there was a lot of economical doubt, right, in the US dollar during that time, in the US banking system. It was just a couple months ago. What was that? Maybe 2 months ago. So gold was able to push up really heavy. Look, no bottom wick, no top wick. What do we know about these type of candles? Well, they're, kind of in a way just like all talk, right? They're all talk. So you had price come down, price created support, we moved back up, and then we just kind of developed this range here. It was just a very simple range as we moved into like all this rejection. It just kind of tried its best, right? Tried its best and wasn't really able to do it. And then below here you have this other range, which is where gold was able to break back into, right below this support level. And now we are seeing gold pretty much break, retest, and looking to make its way down. If we look left, what do we see here, gang? What do we see here? Clean traffic, right? Excuse me, clean traffic to the left-hand side. Now, that's what we're looking to take advantage of, right? We're looking to take advantage of all this, right? All the way back down to 1800 here. So how do we take advantage of it? Well, we have a strong weekly candle here right now. I believe by Friday, if we can really close below this level, then we're going to start to see a massive move, or a couple massive moves, I'm sure, to fill this range here. All this clean traffic to the left-hand side. So that's what we're going to be looking to take advantage of, right? That's what we're looking to take advantage of now. That's what we're looking to take advantage of, later on as this continues to play out. But, let's look at why real quick, right? Why are we not pushing up here? Well, one thing you notice is there's a very strong support, right there. So this support, once we officially close below with this candle, price has not been able to close back above this range. right? It attempted it 1, 2, 3 times, but was not able to do it. Now we rejected this level here a few times to make that support, and I just think that's very simple because you have this level right here. So I believe that's what I was saying on Friday. If we can close below here this week, then I think by Friday, you know, come next week, you have plenty of room to continue down. Plenty of room, big range here. You got a couple, you know, this big massive move, but you know, right around these levels is where you're probably looking to target first, right? That becomes a range very simply. Like this becomes, let's say, our purple range, right? And then there's another range below here. So depending on which range we're in, that's how much we can determine how much more of a move we could expect, right? Before we run into some sort of hesitation. So, you know, we're currently still in this range right here, which is totally fine. But I do look to break out of the red zone here and move on into the purple zone next week. That'll be just phenomenal, right? Clean traffic to the left, higher time frames all pointing in the same direction. Let me just take a look here. No, this candle closed bullish. Okay, no moves yet here on gold. All right, so cool. So anyway, so coming back here, so that's where we're at, right? That's where we're at. So let's take a look at so monthly is very bearish, right? Weekly is very bearish. Let's take a look at the daily. So the daily is very bearish as well here, right? One thing we could say is we closed below this level finally closed below this level here. Perfect, right? We were struggling for quite some time. We were struggling. We came down. We attempted to do it. Nothing. Created support. Came down. Wick down. Couldn't do it. Wick down again. Weren't able to do it. Couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Right? Look at all these times our price tried to get below here and was never able to do it. Now, what's one thing that we notice here about this candle now? Right? This candle was able to actually close below. So if a candle is now actually closing below, doing what all these other candles were unable to do, then that means that we are now breaking back into that range, and you should expect a lot of volume here, right? Where do we go? Well, if we're looking left, boom, where do we have clean traffic until? Well, we see some hesitation here. We see a support right here, and that's probably where we're heading to, right? That's the next destination for gold. And we've been talking about this level for, you know, a couple of days now, and I think that's where gold can head to. So 1904, right? We've been talking about 1904 for a couple weeks here. So we got clean traffic to the left. We have a wick to fill, right, on this daily candle right here. So closure below. Next candle, nice push down, leaves a wick to fill. This candle has created a top wick. And if we start really pushing, you know, breaking through ranges on the lower time frame, then you can expect this wick to be filled here today, and then even maybe the support here at 1904. So we got a lot of volume ahead of us, I believe, today, and gold could certainly make its move down to 1904. So if we're gonna get positions, gang, how are we gonna do that, right? Well, we're gonna have to go down to the lower time frames here, right? So let's take a look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour has a support right here. Right here. Let's take a look. So this candle was able to close below. Perfect. We have a wick to fill. We also have this wick to fill as well. We talked about this wick yesterday also, I believe. And we may have an opportunity to fill that here today. So, oh no, that was a different wick. I'm sorry. Oops. So that's what we're looking at now in the 4 hour time frame. So are we making a top wick to break the lows here to come down? It looks good to me, right? It looks good to me. Or are we waiting for our new 4 hour candle for this candle to close up like this, and we see a 4 hour celery play on the next 4 hour candle, right? So we don't know, right? We gotta wait on that. But one thing we do know is that this 4 hour candle is currently closed bearish below this range here, that support to the left hand side, and now, you know, we're making a top wick to potentially be able to continue down here. So let's go ahead and look at the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, have a support right here, and you have our resistance, which is going to be right here. So that's the range that we're currently in on the 1 hour time frame. If we're looking left, let's take a peek to the left hand side, see what we got. That's perfect. That's right where that rejection zone is at anyway. So that's going to be perfect. That resistance is going to be good. Let's smoothen it out a bit on the 30-minute. Looks good. Looks good. 1 hour and 30-minute all look straight. Everything lines up with the 4 hour time frame. We've got beautiful price action here today. So let's see if we can get the closures that we need. Let's see if we can get our setup and our entry, and everything will mix together for a perfect storm as a beautiful trade falls right into our lap. So let's sit tight. I'm gonna wait for range 2 buys above 1930. So range 2 buys above here, range 2 buys, and then clean sells, man. Clean sells below 1927 here. So that'll be it. That'll be the day. So let me draw this. Let's go a little. I'm actually going to keep it right under this support right here. Yeah, right there. So if we can get a closure below 1927, 181, that's going to be where I'm looking to take sells. And then buys are exactly 1930, 692. And that's it. That's the day on gold. So right now we're just ranging. Let's see what this looks like. Where are we going? Right? If we're going, where are we going? So let's take a look. We got a wick to fill right here. Let's go down to the 4 hour here. Let's check out the next support levels. So right around, I would say right around here, which is about 1920-ish, this area that we were looking at earlier. Clean traffic to the left. Clean traffic. Let's look at the daily. Where's the daily going here today? Well, we know 1904 is there, but yeah, that's the daily wick fill, man. We could see 1920 here today. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna move this down. Full targets are probably gonna be right around 1913, or even below to 1904 here. But let's keep it here at 1913, 1914 for now. That'll be a nice clean range for us to move in, and yeah, let's wait on it. Yeah, we also have this wick to fill here as well. So. That's it. Oh, yeah. What is going on? All right, cool. Yeah, so that's it. So sells below, pretty clean, man. Pretty clean, pretty clean. If we're gonna target anywhere for buys, it's probably gonna be yeah, like somewhere up here. not really looking too hot on the buys, to be honest. I wouldn't mind just taking buys above 1938 here today, but we'll see if we get range 2 and volume and all that good stuff, and we'll keep it right here for now. All right, cool. So that's it. So that's the day there on gold. Very simple. Gonna stay the heck up out of this red zone here today. Not gonna touch anything in the red zone. That's gonna be off limits for me. There's gonna be no money for me sitting in those ranges. I don't want that money. I don't want those pips. But anything below this 1927 area is super clean for us today. We're very bearish on the day, gang. If we start breaking these lows again and closing below, you're gonna see a really nice drive. So that's what we're looking at here. And then anything above here, buys are they're so and so here today. We'll pivot if we need to, but yeah, really don't care for buys much. But as a computer, it's programmed to take range 2 buys above here, so that's what I will do if that presents itself. So cool. So take a picture of it, mark it up, and let's sit and wait on it. Got plenty of range today. Pit Peeper. Oh, that might be a good one. So satisfied marking my charts up before the stream starts. And then you come along and pretty much mark them up. Awesome. Yep, that's what I used to do as well, man. That was one thing that I feel like really helped me progress in my trading was before I got on my stream or the stream that I was learning from, I would start to mark my charts up. I would start to go through this process in my head. Basically what you guys are doing is you guys are listening to me speak out loud, right? Think out loud, and just talk my way through this, right? I didn't know really what gold was looking like. Obviously I knew we were bearish, but you know, it's not like I sit here and do like a full breakdown before I get on. You know, like these are, when I come to you guys and see the charts, I'm pretty much breaking it down and, you know, just thinking out loud. And this is the process that I take myself through as I go from time frame to time frame to time frame to find out the exact ranges that I want to work in today and what ranges I don't want to work in today. So hopefully, you know, yes, the ranges are good, but also get the thought process, you know, as I'm looking through these time frames and figuring out and finding those little details and those little nuances, and really, like my brother John says, you know, opening up the chapter and reading the story, making sure we got the full picture, making sure we know all the little nuances of why, you know, certain things could happen, right? Why we can possibly go up today, why we could possibly go down today, all this great stuff. So yeah, but you guys good? Got all this? Let's take it down. And now we wait, gang. Now we just wait. How fun is it, right? To just sit tight and wait. All right, let's take a look at pound yen as well here. Let me do this. Oh yeah, look at this. What's going on here? Pound news. Yep. Pound bleeder. Pound bleeder. Yeah, so let's take a look at pound yen as well here as the news starts coming out. Remember, we're expecting somewhat of a pullback, right? So we're finally kind of starting to show signs of a bearish close here, right? This candle closed with no top wick on the weekly. We got 2 days or 1 day, well, including today, right? Because today is Thursday. My bad. Was I saying Wednesday before? Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah. So we're starting to see a bearish candle, possibly gonna close here on pound yen after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very, very nice bullish weekly candles here. So for 5 weeks we've been very bullish, and even before that we've been very, very bullish here on pound yen. So let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily did close bullish as well. We kind of created a support, so pretty bullish based off the day on pound yen. Let's take a look at the 4 hour as well. 4 hour is, oh, it looks like we did close, we closed above the support or resistance here on the 4 hour time frame. So yeah, I mean, I think pound yen will probably continue up, being that we did close above on the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the 1 hour here. So we're coming back down into the zone. So yeah, just wait on pound yen. Let this news kind of settle down a bit. Let's go to 30-minute, and yeah, if you do end up closing below this level here, then I think you can wait for just a range 2 and take sells coming back down. So yeah, wait for the range 2 there, because this could also be a fake out with the news. You have the news candle close, being that we're very bullish on the day. We haven't broke the lows. I think the daily lows are right down here. So that's like 179,900. The next candle could easily close back in the range and now start to fill this whole move again. So you got to be careful with the sells going against the daily bias. So I would wait for a range 2, because last thing you want to do is get faked out going against the higher time frames and price start to push back on you. And we've seen this happen over and over and over again. So if you are going to take sells or you know, if I'm gonna take sales, then I'm basically gonna wait for this. I'm gonna wait for, you know, somewhat of a new range to form, right? Maybe a candle close and no bottom wick, and a push back up to create support. And then I'll take my sales coming back down. So yeah, probably something like this and come down like that. But yeah, just wait. We got to see how this candle closes here, and then once we got that closure, then we'll know what's the next step. But yeah, so pretty much range 2 sells below this level here. Some of you guys are like, damn, I was hoping he would just say regular sells below there. Nope, gotta wait for the range 2, man. Hey, it's not me, it's the markets, right? It's not me, it's the market. So yeah, that's gonna be that. Buys above, unless you get a fake out. If you get the fake out, then you could take your buys going back up. But if you're gonna be choppy in this range, then you might as well wait for, you know, a close above resistance there. So let's see if you can get the fake out, and then if we can get the fake out, we'll take buys coming back up. So that'll be around NY open too. So NY open will be a good time to retrace that move. All right. Sound Gucci? Mr. Buy or Sell. Hey gang, I got a lot of content coming out. I'm gonna be making videos on the whole playbook. So these are gonna be quick videos too. They're gonna be like 7 minutes, maybe 8 minutes long, where you can just lock in. It's not gonna be a long, like, you know, super long video, 15, 20 minutes. Nope. They're all gonna be quick bangers. They're gonna be like 5, 6, 7 minutes. And they're gonna get straight to the point. Range 1, range 2, you know, how to go from the higher time frames, do top-down analysis, how to determine daily bias. You know, I'm putting together a lot of good stuff here. So yeah, so that's all coming soon, and then we'll get links to all that. So now when you guys ask, you can just get the link and watch a quick video. All right, let's break down US 30. Why do you have your GJ levels? Can you explain? Yeah, so you got a support here, you got a resistance up here. So if we're very bullish here on the day, right? We look like we made a bottom wick, and now we're about to flip back up and continue on up here today, right? That's what price action tells us here. So we're at a support. This is a daily onion play, right? We're at a support, bottom wick. This candle should be able to flip, continue on up, and maybe even close above here. So if we're bullish on the day, well, then we don't want to take sells right away off the rip, because, you know, we may get faked out, right? A lot of times when the fake outs happen, they usually happen when you're going against the daily bias. So the sells in this case, in this scenario, are going against the daily bias because the daily bias is bullish, right? So if the daily bias is bullish, then we're going to wait. We're not going to take sells, because this can easily just be basically triggering everyone's emotion to get into sells once this candle closes. And what happens is it'll look perfect. You know, you got clean traffic all the way to the left. You got a strong close below. Man, beautiful. Price action trader's dream, right? And what'll happen is the candle will open up. It'll move bearish just a little bit, and then it'll come back up. And it'll close back in this range, and price will continue to move up with the higher time frame, move. So for that reason, we stay out. We stay out if we're going to go against that daily bias, and we wait for a range 2, because we don't want to have, and also where do our stops go? Right, at this point, previous candle stops are way up here. So although sometimes this looks beautiful, that's the reason it fakes people out, right? No one ever gets into a position and expects to get faked out. That's what the market does, right? It's meant to sway you and meant to get you emotional, so you can think you see something, but you may not have all the clues together, right? So that's why we stay out and we wait for, you know, a range 2 in that case. Or we take buys, we wait for that candle to close and we'll take our buys, you know, moving back up with the higher time frame. Because all that really is, you know, a push up, a retracement, and then a move back up. That's all it really is. Do you mean by closure that we need to wait for the candle to close? Yes. Yep. That's exactly what I mean. Yeah. Are we in a trade? All right, let's take a look at US 30 here. Would you? Oh yeah, Caleb. Yeah, we'll check it out in a second. Yep. Right after US 30. Caleb, if I forget, which I probably won't, but if I do, just remind me, and we'll go to the London session channel in the Discord. All right, let's take a look at the Dow here, and let's see what we got going on. So let's take a look at this. Yesterday I think played out pretty well off the 4-hour. Oh, no top wicks though. All right, let's take a look at the weekly time frame here on US 30. Looks like, you know, again, we talked about this yesterday, right? That we're coming into this level of resistance right here. So we're starting to approach this level of resistance. You have a lot of rejections up here, you know, in this area, including the most recent candle. And this looks to me like one of those candles that's not gonna flip and go bullish. Some of you guys have been sitting here for a while now. You're starting to get some experience on candles, and you know, for me, this one looks like one that's actually going to end up closing bearish this week, because I don't know. I can't see it. I can't see it moving up. I know we have these levels up here, but until we get there, like we need a candle to actually close, I think, above this level here, right above these resistance, for us to actually say we can move back up into this range now. So I don't know, man. I think we're gonna close bearish here on the weekly. So, but who am I, right? I'm just a random guy. Whatever I think don't matter. We have to do what the markets are basically telling us to do. So, you know, previous weekly is bullish, right? But if we go down to the daily, we'll notice that we're very bearish, right? We notice that we have a support right here, and it looks like we closed right at it yesterday. So we closed right at this support, and we may have closed a little below, right? But we broke the lows here. So next destination is going to be somewhere around this level of resistance here, and then you have that support right here. So there's a pretty clean range to continue down. Let's see how we're going to find positions today. So if we're bearish, right, and we've already broken the lows on the daily, well, let's see what we got going on. So looks like there is a pretty strong support right where price is at. So we're knocking on the door of a new range here, and we'll see what can happen, right? I think if this 4-hour closes below, then we should be able to come down and retest this support at 33758. I don't know how many points that is, but that's about 91 points, so almost 100, right? So it's a pretty nice range. If we're going to take advantage of that, let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. Looks like you have just a little minor level of support right there, and I think if we close below that, then we can move down a bit, fill this wick, and possibly, you know, continue down into that 4-hour support. So I think that's what I'll do, is I'll wait on probably the 4-hour to see if we can really close below this level, and then if we can, then we spend some time in this range, and we'll try and take advantage of that here today. So yeah, so that's going to be what I'm going to wait on. I think you'll hear me talk about, as we start to trade US 30, you're going to hear me say a lot that we're going to wait for the 4-hour candle to close, because through my sample sizing, that's what I've found the best moves are going to happen are going to be after the 9 a.m. 4-hour candle, right? So once that candle opens, you give it some time, just like we see a lot of volume in gold, you're going to see a lot of volume in US 30. Now the cool part is you'll see it continue to move throughout the later parts of the morning as well. So, you know, we're gonna look to take advantage of this pair really soon, but we already are taking advantage of it. We're preparing ourselves. Most people, they think of a new pair and they start trading it right away. You know, they start trading it, and if they do give it some back testing, what they'll do is they'll back test it for a week and then start trading the pair, and then a week later they toss the pair because they're like, I don't like it anymore, because they lost a bunch of money because they didn't do their homework, right? They didn't do the grind work on it. So, you know, we've been studying US30 for 12 months now. Long before I started this stream, I've already been watching US30 pretty much every day. And, you know, it's a pair that I'm probably going to be looking to start trading pretty soon here. So, yeah, but you're going to hear me say it a lot, you know, 4-hour candle's got to close, and then we'll look to take position. So yeah, so sells are going to be below. Just wait for the 4-hour to close. Yeah, we'll take a look at it again right around 8:30 while the news is coming out on gold. Cool. And now let's go to the London session. Let's go to the Discord. Gang, if you're not in our free Discord, come on in. Join our free Discord here. Let's go to the London session. Let's click this attachment. Let's take a look. All right, so textbook salary play on the 15-minute. Close out of the range. Small bullish candle. Yep, respecting the previous. Perfect. Also nearly had FOMO as the initial candle wick straight past the lows. Oh, this one. Yep. Imagine you got FOMO and entered there. What a different outcome it would have been. Got reminded of Nick saying something like, I'd rather regret not being in the trade than regret. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Luckily I stuck with my plan. It wicked back up and then had stops of the, oh, beautiful, man. Just perfect. Look at that. That's textbook right there. And guess what? There would have been no reason for you to enter on this candle anyway, because it kind of closed with no bottom wick, right? The previous candle. And now the new candle gave you a real entry point, right? A solid entry point. And also throwing that celery, clean traffic to the left. Just perfect, bro. Perfect. Congratulations. Nice trade. 1:30 a.m. Nice. London Open? Was that London Open? Just beautiful, bro. Oh, nice. My first solo trade. Oh, perfect. Good work. Good work, bro. That was Caleb, right? That was Caleb, I believe. Yeah, Caleb. Yeah, man, y'all got names on YouTube, different names on Discord, man. It's hard to keep up. But yeah, great job, Caleb, man. That's one of the, you know, highest probability setups you're gonna get, and way to take advantage of it, way to execute, right? And not be afraid, not hesitate, right? But execute on what you've seen work, and it paid out for you. So beautiful job, man. Oh, 30-minute support. Yup. Clean traffic. Zone being rejected. There you go. Strong support. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, you just gotta wait for that closure. That's all. Close below and boom. Hey, I hope none of you guys took sells towards the end of the session yesterday when we talked about the 15-minute closing back above the range. I hope you didn't do it to yourself, gang. I really do. Forget where that was at, but that was somewhere. But we talked exactly what was going to happen. Maybe some of you guys took buys. That was probably pretty nice. But oh, we're looking at US30. We're not even looking at gold here. Come on, man. Yeah, where was that? That was somewhere over here. 15-minute time frame. Right here. Right? We were looking at a position towards the end. Right? Towards the end of the stream, we needed this candle to close bearish below the range. It never did. But I think some of you guys may have gotten in there. And while we were all having a good time, celebrating the giveaway, this and that, All of a sudden, you had a 15-minute seller play and you got stopped down. Price continued going up just as I said it would if we close above. And the market said, gotcha, gotcha, right? He won that sales deal. He won that negotiation battle. So don't let that happen again. Yeah, don't let it happen again. Price action will tell you everything, gang. This closure, you needed that closure below. No close below, nothing, man, nothing. So don't do it. Nick, the gold is ready. Brad, I don't think it's ready just yet, my friend. Hey, what up, John? Morning, brother.
Morning, chat. What's going on, chat? How we doing?
Man. Good morning, Jose.
Jose?
Morning, brother. John boy, how you doing?
Doing great, bro. How about yourself?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Nice.
Jose's in the building.
What's up, Nick?
What's goody? Hey, I think I'm logged into my other my other Zoom account. You guys see my picture up there?
Morning, G-Game. Yeah.
1 hour close below is gonna be beautiful. What do you say there?
Oh yeah, you are. Hey, morning, George. Morning, Bradley.
Back to the red light district.
Yup. Morning, Sam. The GOAT. Morning, Red Effects. Hey, morning, Unique. Morning, Scott. Good morning, Austin. Morning, Future FX.
Johnny boy.
Good. Hey, chat. Let's be professionals today. Let's follow the plan. Let's strengthen our discipline, patient muscle, right? And let's be professionals and let's act like professionals too. And we know if we follow the plan, we'll win, right? So let's follow the plan and have a good day.
Hey, some of you guys have been exercising that discipline so much. Y'all looking like Brock Lesnar. Your discipline is looking like Arnold Schwarzenegger now.
Yep.
Holy, feels good, right? To be strong, right? And discipline. Disciplined people make things happen in the world.
Yes, sir.
Jose's in the building. Yes, he is.
Morning, Rita.
Can you show your magic keys? Yeah, let's take a look. Settings. Here you go, gang. Magic keys.
Crypto Madden, good morning.
Gang, I don't know why when I bring my MT5 over here too, it looks a little blurry. I gotta figure this out. Probably gonna figure all this out today. Cause doesn't it look a little blurry? And you guys can't really see like what I see. You can't see all my lines, and I gotta figure this out here.
Hey, chat, everything you're desiring is going to come to you quicker the sooner you act like professionals and start to do what the professionals do in trading. So let's do that. If you haven't done that yet, if you're still struggling for past losses from this week, let's start to act like a professional and do what the professionals do.
Yes, sir.
The sooner you do that, the quicker your trading results can switch up.
Yep. That's right. Gotta make a 20-second video on magic keys setting. You'd have 1 million views by now. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I'll write that down. Actually, we'll get a magic keys video as well. Definitely. Yeah. I know it's a little blurry. That's what I just said. So I'm gonna try and get all that figured out. It shouldn't be blurry like that. So. But yeah, let's see if we can get a closure here. We got about 20 minutes left, so You know, what we want to see is we want to see a closure at the NY open, right? And maybe a top wick coming back into the range to give this previous 30-minute candle a top wick if it doesn't do that, but you know, already before it closes. And then, you know, we'll have sell stops. We'll have sell stops to come down and fill this wick here. Got about a 70 pip wick fill during the NY Open potentially, and that's what we'll look to take advantage of, in and out before the news, or at least break even before the news, right? So check the charts for stream. Someone's asking about a loss. Okay, cool. Wick. Yeah, you guys can't really see my wicks. Oh yeah, it's a little blurry, but no trade day is better than a loss day. Yeah, it is. Loving the content on IG, by the way. Oh, thank you. What's a good lot size to trade for a 5K account? I would just do maybe 2% risk. I don't use Insta. What's that? Insta. All right, let's take a look at charts for stream here. Charts for stream. All right, let's take a look. So, candle closed below support. Yep. Entry took when the candle, breaks the lows. Okay. Lost the trade. Target. Is there any mistake I made? You know what, man? I was looking at this earlier. And no, I really don't think you made a mistake. I think I would have entered this position too here. I would have entered this position. Now, what time was this? If we can get a good idea of what time this was, because we don't know. Maybe it was waiting for a session open. Maybe there was something going on that was holding price up. But I believe this was a good trade. This is going to win 8 out of 10 times right here. You know, you have a push down, a high created, you know, close below this support, close below that support. I would have been in this trade. I would have taken this trade here. So I think at this point, just probability wasn't on our side. So remember, trading's all about probabilities, and you know, we can only have, you know, an idea based off of probability. So nothing's 100%. So in this case, I think that was a great trade, and I just think you know, this time it was just one of those times where the probabilities wasn't working for us. But great job. I think I would have took this trade myself. So
good loss. That's a healthy loss.
Good loss. Now I don't know how this candle opened either. So I don't know if I don't know if there was a top wick to begin, right? Maybe there was no top wick and then price pushed down and then made a top wick. I don't know. But in terms of just the overall closure in the position, I'm assuming that this candle made a top wick first and then broke the lows. I would have been in that position. But if there is any mistake you made, just ask yourself, was there a top wick before I entered this position? And if there wasn't, then maybe that was the issue. Maybe that's where you could have held off and not taken this trade. But you know, assuming this one created a top wick for you, then broke the lows, I would have been in that if that was the case. So healthy loss. Unless there was no top wick. That was London Open? Gotcha. Now my main question is, was there a top wick? That's the main question. Also took a small loss there. Oh, look at it. So a bunch of you guys took this trade. So I'm assuming that there was a top wick if all of you guys got in it. There was another support. Yeah, I was actually looking at that too. There was another, I was going to bring that up, by the way. There was another support, I don't know if it was this one or, yeah, I do remember seeing something like that. Yeah, I remember seeing something like that a little further back, but yeah, just from the looks of that picture, I would have probably been in that position. Yes, there was a top wick, and it was a 15-minute celery. Okay, yeah. So if there was a top wick, then I think that was a great loss, man. Maybe look a little bit left, but you know, other than that, it looked good to me. I probably would have been in that position myself. Were you looking at that, John?
No, I was not up for London.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, nah, good job, everyone. A lot of people took that trade, so a lot of you guys are just running the system. And again, right, the breakout's about an 84% win rate, and that means 8.4 out of 10 times you're gonna win that trade. But you know, there's a percentage there that you could lose it. So, and that's for every trade. So you always got to be ready for that. And as long as your risk is in place, and you know you're good to go. But
It's okay to take good losses when you're following the plan, you know.
Yeah.
Healthy losses and rent to the markets.
Yeah. Yeah, Johnny Boy went out after his graduation last night. There was no London going down. While everyone was drinking beer, he was drinking water.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, I went out to eat and I didn't go home till like 11:15, 11:30.
Nice.
So I didn't get to bed till after 11:30.
Well, the coolest part about being free is you can do whatever you want.
Exactly.
And if you want to sleep in one day, then you can do it.
Exactly.
"15-minute salary plays are kind of weak to me." Yeah, it's got to be the right time. But London Open wasn't a bad idea.
That was at 3 a.m. That was a great idea, you know.
Yeah, unless there was some sort of level to the left that maybe you missed. Then other than that, that was pretty good. That was like right here, wasn't it?
I don't sure if there was no support to the left, I would have been in that same trade. So
Yeah. Yes, sir. All right, we'll see how this 1 hour candle closes here in a few minutes. But it's looking good. If we can pull back a little bit, we can probably continue down and be closing partials and taking risk off the table by 8:30. Oh, the support was on the 30-minute? Gotcha. Yep, that's why you always gotta just make sure your ranges are right, you know? Make sure your ranges are good at all times. And yeah, through experience, you'll develop an eye for it. You'll start to notice what's the most common areas, right? Where you can set your ranges at. So it comes with a little bit of time. Yeah, you see how my resistance or my support isn't like right here? Because if you look left, there's another support right there. So that's why looking left will always help you out. Right? So instead of having it 1 or 2 pips up where the most recent support is, I know that there's a very strong support to the left-hand side. So it's always going to be best to keep it, you know, right there. So that's why maybe some of you guys are wondering, hey, how come it's not at the support? That's the reason why. Yeah, always look left. What do we say? Look left to get right.
Either way, you guys could have managed that off the 30. You guys could have managed your risk off the 30-minute after the candle closed back into the range.
Yeah.
So you could have
think
avoided hitting full stops.
I think that's where the stops were too. Right? Yeah, current candle. This was what, 30-minute time frame?
I said there was a 30-minute support too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there was. And if that's legit where price tapped. It tapped that support and then went back up.
Yep.
So you guys got entered, it tapped that support to the left, and then a push back up.
Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream yet, can you guys give the stream a like? And if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And, you know, come every day. We're here Monday through Friday. Come have some fun with us, man. Come trade. Come really learn what the professionalism is like in this industry. You know, not a lot of people are doing it the way we're doing it. Not a lot of people are really kind of just sharing just a simple, basic professionalism of being a trader. You know, outside of all the glitz and the glamour, I mean, this is how they get the job done here, gang. So, you know, in order to really get that lifestyle, you got to remain professional in your craft and understand that this is a business. It's not a game. It's not a gamble. It's not a hope. It's not a wish. It's 100%. If you get it and you get disciplined and you get right, you get 100% change your entire life, man. Like, some of you guys got kids. You can change the entire future of your kid's life. Like, life could be so much different for you and your family over the course of the next, you know, 2 to 5 years, or honestly like 6 to 12 months. You know, your life you could be living a totally different lifestyle and just, you know, almost in awe about how much you make and how little you do. It's honestly it's incredible, man. Freedom is by far the best accomplishment that you know, that I've made, and most rewarding. And you know, I'm telling you, when you guys get that sense of freedom and you start to forget what it's even like to have a job, man. Me and my wife, we were driving home yesterday, and it was like getting to like that 5 o'clock area, and I was like, damn, you know, this still happens every day. Like, rush hour traffic, like bumper to bumper, like it still goes down. And you know, we haven't experienced that in years now, and it's just been such a blessing. But you know, the freedom is there for you guys too. The freedom is out there, and you got to go take it. And in order to get it in this specific industry, you got to be a professional. You got to be disciplined. You got to stick to that playbook that you have, and don't ever deviate from it. Don't ever deviate from it. Not one time, right? Not one time again. Don't ever leave a little back door open for you to go cheat the plan. Trust me, it's not going to work for you. It's not going to work. You just got to say, hey, professional traders are disciplined traders. If I'm going to be a professional trader, I'm going to be disciplined. If I'm going to actually be that in the future, let me just start doing that now, not tomorrow, you know, not on your next challenge account. No, let's talk about doing that right here, right now, every single day moving forward, and you will stack wins in your favor. And not only will you stack wins, but you'll stack self-confidence. You'll stack system or strategy confidence, right? And the more confidence you have, the more less hesitant you become to execute. And you know, you start feeling good as you execute these positions, and you know, start winning 8, 9 out of 10 trades. You know, it's a good feeling. And then you know, you say, you know what? I'm glad I didn't quit. I'm glad I stuck with it. The light at the end of the tunnel is right there. You know, I'm getting closer and closer to my dreams and goals, and I'm telling you, gang, there ain't no better feeling than that. There ain't no better feeling than that. That's in my personal opinion. Is hunting down that goal and just getting it, man. It don't even matter about the money. It's the accomplishment of what you set out to do. The money, you guys are gonna realize, it's not all cracked up to what you think, right? It's just money, gang. Like, yes, you can have better choices and, you know, maybe get a little bit of nicer things, but the goal being accomplished is the real satisfaction, right? You'll start to understand once you run into a lot of more money. You'll understand that it's not really, you know, what you thought it would be. Like, men, your wife is still gonna ask, you're gonna have a 20K month. Baby, we did it. And she's gonna be like, that's amazing, honey. I'm so proud of you. You're so amazing. You're the best. Thank you for going after our dreams and goals. But can you get those dishes? Can you get those dishes, because they're starting to pile up in the sink? Or can you change that diaper? You know, you're still gonna live a normal regular life, gang. So, you know, don't just chase the money. Chase the idea of the goal. I'm setting a goal and I'm gonna go after it and I'm gonna accomplish it. And then once you get to that goal, celebrate it really quick and then move on to a bigger goal, right? My mentor told me one time I accomplished this big goal. I was so pumped up. Let's just call it 1,000 PV we called it, right? And And I was like, yeah, man, I'm so happy I did it, you know? And he's like, awesome. Now, when you on to 2,500? And I was thinking like, damn, I can't even kind of celebrate this victory. And he said, you can very quickly. He said, but if you're not moving forward, you're going backwards, right? So if you're not continuing to move forward, you're actually going to start slipping backwards. So it's always important to celebrate those victories really quick, you know, job well done, but then get on to the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one. And then that's how you just keep leveling up in life. You know, it's about that journey. You'll notice that the destination was not even what you thought it was. Once you get there, you're ready to go to the next one. It's the journey that we appreciate.
Yeah, chat. Don't play around with your potential, chat. You know, if trading is something you want to do, you see yourself doing it long term, especially, get serious about it, right? Get locked in.
Yeah.
Don't waste your time and energy doing something that you want to do, but you're not taking advantage of, right? Take advantage of it. The opportunity is right in front of you, and it's up to you, right? It's up to you, the individual, to get serious about it and take advantage of it. Find out your why and get serious. Get locked in.
Yeah.
You can really make your process and your journey to being a profitable trader way quicker by learning from my brothers and mine's mistakes. And if you just get locked in, you know,
Yep.
the opportunity will start to, you know, fill it.
Yep. The people who you see in life who are doing it a little bit bigger than you or making a little bit more money than you, understand that they just failed a little bit more than you. They just went after a little bit more than you, right? If you guys are in sales or you guys work on commission, most guys that are making more than you, it's not that they're better than you. They don't have higher IQ. They're just willing to get more no's, right? They're just willing to work it longer, right? They're working harder, failing often. And, you know, sometimes that's just what you got to go out and do. Just got to go out and let it rip and make your mistakes and, you know, find a mentor, find someone who you can come to, find a free live stream like you have here and ask questions. And don't just, you know, troll in the chat, but ask questions that are going to help you move forward in life. Like, that's what you have this is the opportunity that you have in front of you, right? You're on a stream. You can ask any question you want to help you get forward and get to that next level in your life. So, you know, don't hesitate to ask questions and make sure you're getting what you need, right? You're getting what you need so you can apply that into your life.
Don't accept failure, right? Don't accept failure. If you want to be a full-time trader, you got to take advantage of the opportunity and you can't quit, right?
Yep.
You can't quit. You got to keep trying.
Quick question, Nick. I blew my entire account. Not sure if I should fund again right now. JRG, sit out for this weekend. Sit out until Monday. Think about what we're talking about here. Take some time to think about some of the things that we're saying on this stream. And, man, get back on that horse, bro. Get back on that horse. You don't want to stay off too long, right? You want to maybe take this next day or two to chill. You know, chill out. You know, think about what we're talking about here. And come Monday, everything is history. And you begin a new week, a new day, and a new life, gang. So that's what I would do. First day of the rest of your life.
Like Nick has said, right? Me and my brother said, like, the people who fail only fail because they quit, right? Failure is only real if you accept it as real. You know, people have asked me and my brother, what's your backup plan? You know, what are you gonna do if this doesn't work? And the answer was, we have no backup plan. This is gonna work. We're gonna make it work. We're not gonna quit until we get it. So don't accept quitting and don't fail. And don't accept failure. Don't accept failure as being real. It's only real if you accept it real in your mind. So just never give up and don't quit.
Amen. Good morning.
Hey. Good morning, Sam.
Going on, Johnny boy?
Brother.
Oh, Nick's not here. Yo, I can't get my trading view to load, bro. This morning's been crazy for me so far.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, I just got back because I hit the grocery store in the morning and my battery died in my car.
Damn, are you for real?
Yeah, I swear. And so, well, I don't know because it's like So, like, you know how you can turn on the auxiliary and all the power in the car will come on? Like, if you don't, like, do you have a push to start or a turn key?
No, I have the key.
Yeah, so if you only take it one flick forward instead of two and then hold it, then it'll just turn on the electronics in the car. So, like, I could do that. But, like, if my battery was dead, then, you know, I wouldn't have been able to. So I don't know, like, if it's my starter or my alternator, but I don't know. I'm just grateful that I'm here before 8 a.m.
Yo, facts.
Good morning, everybody.
Hey, good morning,
Facts,
Sam.
Positive
Good
things.
morning.
What's up, brother? What did you say happened? Your car died?
Yo, I was at the grocery store this morning, yeah, and well, I don't know if it's my battery because, like, you know how, like, I was just telling John, so you can turn the key once and it'll just, like, turn the power on in the car, but not the engine.
Yep.
The electronics, yeah. So it would do that, but I couldn't get it to start. But then someone gave me a jump, and then whenever we hooked the cables up, I was able to start it. So I think it might be the starter, but it could also be the alternator. So I don't know.
Yeah, check the battery before anything.
Well, that's what I mean.
Might just
like,
need a new battery.
I think the battery should be good though, because like if I'm able to start the car without having the engine on and like have all the electronics running, then the battery should be good.
Should be good.
Check the ground wire on my battery. All right, cool. Good looks.
Yeah, I'm sure someone can help. We got 808 people here. Shout out to you guys for being here. I'm sure somebody got an answer. I'm sure there's a mechanic here somewhere.
Facts.
Someone said, see now, so someone said alternator. Now someone says sounds like starter. See, that's exactly where I'm at. It could be, I don't know. It could be a couple different things. I'll probably just like run up the AutoZone because they have a thing where they can test.
Yeah, test it out. I thought my starter was gone, but just one time, and it was just the battery.
Yeah. I don't know.
Look it
Whatever.
up on YouTube.
Figure it out later.
All right, chat. Lock it in here. I think we're going to be able to get some positions. We're going to potentially get a close below. So let's see if we can get that here.
Hey, this closure is hella important. This is a strong support level. So
Yep.
closure is a huge confirmation here.
Yep. How much did you lose before you started to win? Probably like 30 grand.
Yeah.
Reaching the goal doesn't teach what the process does. Yeah, that's true.
Finally, bro. My trading view is not loading up. It's just on now. Crazy, yeah.
Yeah, bro, it's weird.
Oh.
Did we get a 30-minute top wick yet or no? Little one, yeah. So what I'm expecting is the next 1 hour candle. So AK also the next 30-minute candle to kind of break the highs and then drive down. And then that'll just be a normal 1 hour top wick. And if we could break the highs, then we can most likely leave our stops above this candle here. But if we don't break the highs, then we may need to use the previous 1 hour high here. But we need that closure. Very, very important. Yeah, Johnny Boy was spitting facts. Yep, yeah, he was. There is no plan B. I've been getting asked, what's your plan B for 10 years now? And there's no plan B. There's all in. All in on the dream and goal.
Yo. Yeah, both y'all were spitting facts when I got here. When I got here, you were talking about, like, no matter what you have, you're still going to have, like, a normal life. Like, that's so true. Like, I also did the dishes before I hopped on here. Unloaded the dishwasher.
Yeah.
That's so true too.
I mean, and then as you gain more freedom over time, you know, you start understanding how valuable time is, right? And then you start saying, you know what, let's get a maid and let's get let's get a cook and let's get, you know, so you start kind of getting into that, you know, all right, you know, let's get someone else to do the dishes, right? You know, maybe once a day we can have people come in, clean, do the dishes, all that, you know. So eventually you do get to start buying more and more of your time back. But yeah, it's just a normal, you know, either way, you're still a human being, so.
Yeah.
Are we gonna hold off before unemployment claims here? Yep, no closure. So nothing here for us here, chat. So gotta wait. Got to wait.
Get a dishwasher. They're all playing with me, bro.
Get a dishwasher. Yeah, but you still gotta put the dishes in the washer. You know, you still gotta take the time to do it. Oh, this is the best live stream.
Did you guys not get that?
Get the dishwasher.
They're all playing me, bro. I ain't talking about this shit.
Yeah.
Oh man, very motivating. I'm very blessed to have found your live streams. Oh, nice, Glenna. Pleasure to have you here. Pleasure to have you here.
Who's got our money today?
Oh, Uncle Scalp's here.
Who's got our money today? Who's got our money?
Our money is between 1927 and 1920 here today.
Get it. Let's get it.
Let's get Uncle Scalp.
What's up, Johnny boy?
How we doing, Uncle Scalp?
Scalp?
From
How we
Staten Island.
doing? Sammy.
Sammy boy.
What's the word?
All right, gang's here.
The Discord is blowing up.
Is it? Discord's getting lit? Let's check it out. Let's check it out in front
Yeah,
of.
who'd I help dodge that?
Oh, I
30
seen
minutes
that.
Y'all were trying to sell, bro.
I seen that. They're in the London, right?
It was like right at 5 a.m. when I got up.
Oh yeah, I was reading. Let's see what we got. All right.
That 4-hour hit that top wick too, right into that support. That's money, bro.
If you guys,
not no entry or nothing.
if you guys haven't checked out this Words of Wisdom yet, go check it out. Quick read, but very, very powerful. Very powerful. Yeah, good stuff, Austin. Good stuff. Isn't it fun to think these type of thoughts? You know, maybe you put a little bit of it together at night before bed, and then maybe finish it up in the morning and just dwell on these thoughts all night long. And as you start your morning, isn't it just amazing? Words are true power. They are power. Remember, God spoke everything into existence, right? Our words are so strong, so powerful. So, gang, get a make sure you're monitoring the words that you speak, the words that you think, because they are much more important than you even know.
That's true.
Yeah, this was awesome.
Actually, what you tell yourself.
It's true.
Your mind is the program center. It's the control center. It's what controls everything outside of the body, right?
Yep.
So what you tell yourself, that's what it's gonna do.
Yep.
Your self-talk is on point.
Major
Make sure
nugget.
you're feeding yourself positive words.
Vibrations and frequencies.
It's true, man. I was telling Nick, like, not too long ago, like, you know, I even went as far as, like, you know, I don't even listen to a lot of the music I used to listen to.
Oh yeah.
And I work in the music business, like, that's what my full-time job is, and, like, you know, I don't even listen to it. Like, I love hip-hop, and I don't even listen to a lot of it because the message and most of the hip-hop is just so negative.
Yeah, man.
And it's on such a low frequency. Like the subjects that these artists talk about, everything is such a low frequency that, you know, music has such an effect on your mood. You know?
your
Dumb
brain.
you down.
And if
Like the 808s, bro.
right, and you might not realize it, but when you listen to a lot of these people, you know, it's programming in your subconscious, and you don't realize it, but it's happening. And I stopped that completely. Like when I'm in the gym now, I listen to like a podcast rather than listen to hip hop, you know?
Facts.
And like, you know, I love like house music. So I listen to more of that because it's less like, you know, it's more of like a good vibe. It's more like uplifting. Like I don't,
Yeah, same.
I try to stay away from that negative shit, you know?
That's 100% true.
Listen to progressive metal, my man. So glad I found you guys.
Me too,
Professional.
though, Scout.
Nice.
Red FX Scott, he plugs me in every day, bro. New song every day. Shout out,
Christian
man.
rap.
Yeah, fire.
Yeah,
But
there's some
yeah,
good
you say you live
Christian
in a
rap.
house?
Yeah, I love house music. I've always loved house music. Always.
I don't know what Marshmallow is, but bro, I love that.
Yeah,
Dude, it takes me
Marshmallow.
back some of that stuff too, bro.
Takes
Yeah, Red
you
FX.
back.
Sam and I said the combo the other day. Yeah. Now that is so true. I was sitting there talking about like those 808s you hear in the back of the songs, like boom, 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 like
Mhm.
that literally puts you in your lowest level of chakra. It makes you
Yeah.
want to do like terrible things.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna
Think of,
say
like-
but like murder and that
Right.
kind of stuff.
It'll give you like that type of music. Would
So
give
if
you
that is-
motivation to want to do
exactly.
something,
There's-
you know.
And
Yeah,
if you're
there's-
subconsciously putting that in your brain, like, I don't know. Nightmare.
House music made by junkies for junkies. Yeah, well, you know, everyone has their opinion, but I don't know. For me, I'm like, damn, what am I listening to right now? This music's a bunch about like, you know, drug dealing and killing.
Crazy. And doing drugs.
And what am I
That's-
listening to right now?
Yeah, like,
If there's music to worship the Lord, right? There's got to be music to worship the devil as well, and that's what that rap stuff is probably deep down.
Yeah, nothing on GJ yet, gang. This cells below here, my bad. We need a range 2 cell anyway. Alright, we talked about that. Yeah, we need range 2 cells anyway. So yeah, nothing for me on pound yen. So range 2 cells, yep. Yeah, this candle's all over the place. So we're still bullish based off of the 4 hour, never broke the lows. Still bullish based off the daily, right? Daily's flipping bullish. We don't want to take sells right now, right? When the daily looks like that. So, some of you guys weren't looking at the daily, right? You got to pay attention to all the time frames here, gang, especially the higher time frames. So just gotta wait, man. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait on it.
Remember, each time frame tells a story, so you got to use all of them to get the whole story.
Facts.
Do you always wait for the 30-minute? 15, 30, or 1 hour? Yep. Yep. 15 closure. So right now I would look at the 15, but we got news coming up. So the next 15 is gonna be coming in, you know, right near this news. So probably just hang tight for that, and yeah, let that come out, and then we'll see where we're at. Yeah, 1 hour didn't really give you a good top wick. No closure below either, so stay out of that. What podcast? I've always listened to guys like Ed Milet. I really love Ed Milet. I love listening to Andy Frisella. Who else? There's a lot of guys who I was in a previous business with who I really like listening to them. But yeah, there's a lot of good people out there. Just gotta search and ye shall find.
Erin Nightingale is good.
Earl Nightingale, yep.
Sheesh.
Earl Nightingale's amazing. Please explain range 1 and range 2. It's simple. If the daily bias is bearish, then we're gonna look for sells mainly. But if we are gonna take buys, we can, but we gotta wait for a range 2. And what I mean by range 2 is it's a very just simple break and retest. So we need to see price close with a couple candles, come down, create a support, and then push up. Because sometimes if you don't wait for that, what's going to happen is price is going to close above, but then it's going to come back down and continue on with the daily time frame. So for that reason, we wait for the range 2. because the main concept and the idea for the range 2 is really to avoid fake outs, right? So if you had, like, let's say a candle closed bullish, we won't take our buys here, right? Because we're going against the daily bias. So if price, let's say price will continue pushing up, we'll wait for a second range to be formed. So we'll wait for some sort of like resistance up here and then break and retest, right? So now come down, retest this level, maybe give you a little fake out towards the downside, and then, you know, after this bullish closure, then we could take our buys, just to be sure that we're going to continue up now. Because if we're creating a new range, right, if we're leaving this range and now creating a second range, well, that becomes our range 2, and then we could take our buys. Because what'll happen if you don't wait for the range 2, not every time, but most of the times, what'll happen is you'll get activated into this position, and then we will come down and close bearish, and then price will continue down. So that's what the range 2 is about. It's not necessarily about taking a trade, it's more so about avoiding a fake out. And then we figured out how to trade it. You know, then we figured out how to trade it. We say, you know what, if that's going to be the fake out, then maybe we could take our sells, and that's what we call the fake out back into the range. So yeah, so that's the main reason for it. So don't focus so much on when you could take a position. Focus on, hey, we're looking to avoid a fake out. That's what we're looking to do. And then guess what? Sometimes you're going to get a candle close. It's going to be, you know, you're going to need to wait for a range 2. You're going to get a closure, and you're never going to get that range 2. Price is just going to drive on you. Did you miss the move? Absolutely not, because that wasn't our move to take. That was somebody else's move. But just understand that sometimes that's going to happen. But more times than not, you'll see a fake out here. So do you want to be 80% times we see this, there's a fake out, so or 20% times it just runs, right? So would you rather win 2 out of 10, or would you rather win 8 out of 10? That's pretty much the idea. Oh yeah, Bob Proctor is great too. Yeah, I love Bob Proctor. Earl on repeat.
Murphy too.
Who?
Joseph Murphy, Dr. Joseph Murphy.
Oh yeah. What's your take on unemployment claims? I have no take. I just let the numbers come out and follow suit. So once these numbers come out, we'll get an idea of where price is going. Price action will reflect that as well, and you know, we'll treat it just like anything else. So we'll sit out for the news, we'll let the dust settle, we'll let the spreads settle down, we'll let the volume kind of give us a direction, and then we'll look to take our positions. Nick for president. Not our pips. Yep, for sure. Johnny Boy giving the sauce. The sauce.
False.
Yo, could we get the likes up?
Word.
340?
Come on, gang. 900 people here.
man.
340
Yeah,
likes. Come on, man. Y'all could do better. Those are rookie numbers, gang. Those are rookie numbers.
Y'all just forgot, right?
You guys were so zoned in, you forgot to hit the like button. Hey, we don't ask for anything. We do this for free. All we ask is that you like the stream and sub to the channel. That's all. Attention, attention, all traders. This is a FOMO test. You will be informed what to do shortly. Oh, some of you guys got FOMO here? No way. Hold up.
Right.
Sweet baby rays. Yeah.
Gang, FOMO? Like, I forgot that was even a thing. Just like I forgot rush hour was a thing because I haven't gone to work or a job in a long time. I forgot FOMO was a thing because I haven't had it in such a long time now. And man, is it peaceful.
Let me
What a peaceful feeling.
Man, chat. When we say facts, when we act like professionals, professionals don't get FOMO. So
Yeah.
just block it out. You have FOMO, just block it out. Back to the plan, right? That's all you gotta do.
Yeah, yup.
If you have FOMO, you gotta have a plan. So
Yep. What resources did you use to learn this trading style? I learned a lot from two other streamers, Don and Raja. They really helped me a lot hone in on this strategy, and then experience kind of took me the rest of the way. So yeah, yep, got them guys in terms of their technicals and their thought process, and then gained experience on that, and you know, that's been able to carry me even further now. So it's been good. Buy or sale, sir, please. FOMO and lack of knowledge gives this game a bad name. Yeah. I'm crazy eye guy checking if other streams are FOMO. Some of you guys are like, all right, he's not taking it. Let me load up this guy's stream. Is he taking it? No, he's not taking it. All right, let me get no, this guy's in a swing trade on CHF JPY. You know what? That actually looks pretty good. Let me look up that pair. Let me get that pair on my watch list. CHF's GBP, blah blah blah. Get it? Hey, I've never traded this pair, but what did he say? Buy? Oh crap. He said sell. Crap. Let me get rid of this one. All right, delete the buy. All right, now I'm entering into the sell. Wait, why is he getting into a sell? The price is going up here. Hey, whatever. No, I'm just gonna get in. Boom. Yeah, those of you guys like squiggly eyes. All confused.
you getting FOMO is legit exposing yourself that you just are thinking about the money, right? You gotta stop thinking about the money, and you gotta start thinking about your process, your trading. Don't think about the money. Think about your trading.
Dollar bills, y'all. You guys listen to too much rap. I got money on my mind. Money on my mind.
For real. You guys are in so need of making money so bad. You guys just gotta chill.
You ever try and get a girl really hard, man, and she just like get away from me? That's what you're repelling money right now. Your need for money, your want and desire. Oh my God, I need to. It's repelling money, right? Isn't that, ladies? When a guy does that to you, right? Isn't that a super turn off, right? You don't want to get near that guy. That's how money is too, man. Pip peeker? Way more peaceful, yup. Than watching the 5 minute and 1 minute with hair standing up. Some of you guys are on the 1 minute right now. Looks like you guys got electrocuted. Go look at, I see you. Go look at yourself in the mirror.
Money's so bad too. Like, don't
Money,
come
yo,
here. Like, you're gonna lose all your money if you want money so bad, and you start trading it. Like, just go get a job if you need money.
You're
so
not.
bad.
You're not that guy. You're not that guy. Listen, you're not that guy. Bye. All right, do it. Tick chart causing anxiety attacks on the daily. That's funny. Big brother from India. Oh, yo, what's good? My man. Shout out to India in the building. Go get a jab. All right, give me 1 second, all right? Johnny boy, take it over.
Bradley. Buy? Question mark? Like, no one's buying you. Yeah, chat. Seriously though, if you're in real need of money, go get a job. If you want to be a profitable full-time trader, stick around and focus on trading. That's facts, right? FX. Amen. Hey, you in Dubai, Bradley? Nice. Hey, passed my funded last night. Let's go. AFM Alex. Let's get it.
Yo, shout out.
Let's go, brother.
Alex.
That's what's up. Tough.
Let's get our buy stops and sell stops in before news, guys. Yeah, if that's what you're doing, go for it.
Yeah. 10 minutes for news. So. Hey, from a job interview, holy, but it's mostly weekends, so I can still trade. Nice.
Nice.
Awesome. Gives us all things, yes sir, at FX. It's facts. Everyone's focused on the creation, but not the creator. Who gave him everything? Who gave him? John, what kind of license do you need to get funded trader? No license, you just get it on your name. You need to be over 18. That's what I know. I need a license. I remember my teacher asked me that too. I'm like,
Really?
not on Wall Street. Yeah. I'm like, this isn't Wall Street, man. I'm buying a funded company. I'm passing it.
That's actually crazy.
Right? What do I think about the 5K funded account? I think it's good, right? If you're still learning, I think that's a good one to do, right? I think it's like $50 to learn, so it's not bad. Feel the emotions out of it.
Yeah, don't worry about the money.
Yeah.
Focus on the percentage
Exactly.
gain you're gonna make off your trades
Exactly.
anyways.
Oh,
Focus on the strategy, focus on the craft.
820 pushing here, huh?
Third.
820 pullback. Push it. Let's see this 5 minute. Yep. And that's your 820 push. All right, we'll see what happens here. No top wick, very little top wick on the 1 hour candle. 4 hours looking really good. No top wick on the 30 minute either. So we'll see what news wants to do here. If we want to push back up to create that top wick or what we want to do, but we'll see. Hey, Somalia in the building. You're not that guy, pal. Trust me, you're not that guy. Whoever doesn't put a like's gonna press the wrong button on the next trade. Hey, yeah, chat. Hit the like button. Hit the like button if you want a beautiful trade today. Too much questions for those little likes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, can we get 500 likes here? 500?
Yeah.
Most of you guys found our trade because people like the stream. Because they like the stream, the algorithm sent the stream out, and then that's how you guys found us. So if you're grateful for being here, and you're grateful that someone else liked the stream, return the favor for another lonely trader out there in YouTube land. Your $1 donation, I mean your one like, can go to helping one lonely trader out there in YouTube land. Just searching for a live stream to learn from.
You need a vibe with.
A vibe. They're looking for a vibe, man.
They're sick of just sitting in their room alone, staring at their screen for 4 hours.
They're looking for a little of that big L on top. I got you, Big Nick. Here comes the like. Hey, Bob the Third is in the house. Let's go. Bob the Third is here. Hey, Danny's here. Danny the Met fan. Yes, sir.
Danny.
Since I'm at home right now, feels like you guys are my coworkers. Yep,
Fact.
that's what it is, man. We're all coworkers.
Yeah.
Literally.
Just think of it like this. We all work for a trading firm and we're all like on Zoom together. And we're all running it up together. And the trading firm is like, man, that group right there, they don't play games, bro. These guys know how to read the markets.
You actually like your coworkers.
Oh yeah,
exactly.
would you look at that?
I hope you like us.
Exactly.
Yeah, we'd hope you guys like us. Imagine liking your coworkers. Would you look at that?
You look at that.
Just look at it.
Yo, Bradley, I don't know.
He's here.
Sending love from Nigeria. Hey, let's go. We're in the boiler room. We're in the boiler room, boys. The greatest country in the house. Texas, baby. Texas. Should we all go for a sell? Fury Man? I like your name. Only job I ever looked forward to waking up to. Yeah, ain't that the truth, right?
Oh yeah.
Serious, man. But when I had a job, I'd wake up like 10 minutes before I had to dip out of the house, man. I'd get as much sleep as I possibly could before leaving the house that day. And now, when you're building your dream, you wake up 4 hours sometimes, or 3 hours before it's even time to work. So, passion, baby.
That's a job.
Yeah, that's the job. Pump it, pump it.
33 minutes.
Yeah, I see this candle pulling back, so we may get a top wick on a 1 hour candle here.
Support level 2.
Yeah, remember we never closed
I'll
below
check.
support yet, so that's why you see this candle can't sustain the move right now. So maybe we get a top wick, maybe we continue to push down. We don't know. We just gotta wait. We just gotta wait and see. How do you determine where to put the buy and sell lines? Austin, if you go back, you can go watch the beginning of every single stream that I've done. All the streams start off the same way, bunch of W's in the chat, right? And then we get to the breakdown. So go review those breakdowns, whether it be this weekend or later on today, or if you wanna see how we got today's lines there and ranges there, then go just rewind it. Maybe wait for the news, but we got time, right? So go rewind it and check it out and let us know what you think. Do a breakdown, we find these ranges, so I think that would be really helpful for you to review that and take some notes on it, and then you'll have a real firm understanding about how we do it. Hey, right on time. Unemployment claims and the landscapers.
Yo,
Every week. You guys ever seen Billy Madison? Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. Come on. We're running a stream over here, pal. We're running the top stream on YouTube right now. What are you doing?
He's trying to troll, bro.
I'm gonna have to hit him with the Trump.
Yo.
Trying to troll?
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
We troll the landscapers a little bit.
Bro, let him go, bro. So, like, turn it off. Wait till 11.
Guy pokes his head in the window. Hey, you show me a check for 30 grand, I'll quit this thing right now. Oh, I trade in the toilets. Oh, yeah, I remember the back in those days, man. You just go to the bathroom and just fall asleep in the bathroom at your job. Anyone ever done that?
No.
Here's our top wick. Here's our top wick. So here comes the news. There you go. So yeah, we still, you notice how we still have not closed below this range? So we have not missed out on anything, gang. Zero. Zilch. Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing. We're chilling.
Do you think 6K and my Forex funds account is a good to start? I don't think they have a 6K. I think they have a 5K though. But yeah, why not? Why not? Nice and cheap. You get to learn how to trade with rules, and I think it'll set you up to be a good trader. Personally, I think the prop firms set me up to be a professional because of the rules, right? I think those rules are great rules. Those that hate on the rules, that tells me that you trying to gamble a little bit. You know, if you don't want rules, guess what? Whether they put the rules in place or not, at the end of the day, you have to put the rules in place for your own capital too. So I don't mind those rules at all. I believe that they shaped me and they helped me actually, you know, be conscious of the rules to trading and, you know, trade more like a professional.
100% they do.
Yeah.
They don't make you over trade or over leverage, right? You literally can't.
I mean, you can, but then you blow your account and you learn a lesson.
You can't over risk, bro. You know.
Yeah.
You can over trade, bro.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Any advice for me? Oh, where'd it go? Any advice for me? I lost big trades this week, and it's been my first big stop loss in a very long time. For me to adjust my strategy. To adjust your strategy? Well, I don't know what your strategy is, Daniel. But you know, you gotta take a look. Take a look at your strategy. What's your win rate? I mean, if it's something that you're happy with and it's providing good results for you, then you shouldn't be switching anything. Just keep doing what you're doing. But you know, if it's leaning on the side of a losing strategy, then yeah, you may have to switch up. You know, and don't be afraid to do that sometimes. So you just gotta, you know, figure out those adjustments that you need to make and make them. Sorry, I'm late. Oh, no worries. One lot. Hey, you guys keep me from... When is the last time you breached an account? Last year. I like the rules. Yeah, the rules are good, man. You can't break the rules and expect to be a successful trader. That's right, Z Gamer. What's the best lot size for a 5K account? I wouldn't look at it like lot size. I would just risk like 2% per trade. So just kind of do the math, right? How many pips? If you're risking, you know, 20 pips, you know, we'll just do the math on that and, you know, see what stop loss is going to work best. So that way you're only losing like 2% if those stops get hit. 2-3%, you know, depending on what kind of a trader you really are and the level of your discipline. Yeah, how did that news come out?
Good question.
Oh, higher. Oh no, here we go. greater than expected. So unemployment came out, just not that much, same as last month it looks like, but they were expecting, I guess, more numbers. Oh no, I'm sorry, they were expecting
yeah, it just
less.
pretty much come out. Yeah, it just kind of come out as expected.
Yeah, very similar to what last month was and what they were thinking. So yeah, just wait on it now. Let's see this 4 hour. See, 4 hours moving up here, so you know you gotta be patient.
The way that I just like, I guess determine that, I just look at the color of the numbers. Those ones are black.
Exactly.
Red or green. You know what I mean? Don't overcomplicate it.
Yep. Don't overcomplicate it.
Do you know what that means, chat? We just wait.
Just wait on it.
Wait on the price action. It's like always.
Yes, sir. Hey, those of you guys who are asking in the Discord about the free month on the signals, we're gonna continue doing it. So we'll do it to the end of the week. So we'll do it until the end of tomorrow, or maybe maybe like another day or two. So if you guys do want signals and get into the signals room, just any bundle that you purchase, whether it's 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or the full year, you'll get at least a month free from that. So yes. The deal is still on the line. It's still on the line. Yeah, it's a good time too. Especially if you guys are taking funding challenges, just to make sure you're getting alerted anytime. Like some of you guys just you're here, but maybe you work a job or you can't. Sometimes you're a little distracted on the stream. That's who the signals are for. Someone who knows what we're doing, knows what we're talking about, who pretty much is with us every day, but they just don't want to miss a trade because maybe they can't pay super close attention to the stream at all times, but you just want to be notified when we're taking a trade. If you're just taking signals just to like be lazy, then please, man, do not buy my signals. I recommend you go buy somebody else's signals. But if you're serious about trading and you want to, make sure you're keeping up with all the trades that I take, then, those are the people I want. It's people who are already learning, people who are already growing in the craft, but maybe just want to be notified at certain times. So if that's you, I recommend it. But if you're just trying to just print some free money, then trust me, that's not going to work. Dive into the strategy, learn the system. That'll get you better long term. Hey, we got 1,000 plus here, gang. Thanks for coming by here today. We're just sitting on our hands right now, being disciplined, waiting for candles to close. We got the news that popped off here. We didn't have a 1 hour top wick, and now we've got that. So at this point, we're just waiting. We're gonna wait on the 4 hour close here and see where we land. Let's take a look at pound yen as well real quick. So yeah, you see GJ is just messing around here. Messing around. Oh, look at, maybe we're getting that fake out now. So I would look to possibly take buys coming up because we are bullish on the day, right? The daily candle is bullish, so we may continue up here. So if we do get a closure above on this 30-minute or 1 hour time frame and we create support, then that's going to be our opportunity to take advantage of the move back up, and we could either take our buys, like, right, we want to see something like this. We want to see this candle maybe close bullish, and then we could take our buys on this candle. And if this candle closes above, we can add positions, and bro, we'll have runners. We'll have runners to fill this wick up here today. So that's the plan on GJ. Anything below here, I need a range too. But if we do decide to fake out, come back in the range, then this is going to be my confirmation candle right here. And then I'm going to be willing to trade this candle. Yeah, I'll probably close partials right around this resistance level. And then if the candle does close above the range, I will probably look to add another trade in there, another position to continue up. So that's what I'll be looking for.
Yo, Nick, did you see the scammer in the Discord that was trying to be you? Time to T?
Yeah, I seen that. Time to T. Hey, shout out to the scammers. Listen, gang. Scammers, alert, alert. Listen, gang, you guys can hide behind the name. You can hide behind the computer. But I'm telling you, you can't hide from God. Right? You cannot hide from the one who made you. And I hope and I pray that you repent, that you turn away from your sin, that you put your faith in Jesus Christ, and you stop scamming people. Yeah, because the Lord's watching. And boy, do I feel bad for you if you don't get it. I don't want to see that happen, man. I don't want to see that happen to you. So, yeah, I'm praying that you just repent and just all of you scammers, repent
from it.
You can make a lot more money by learning how to trade here. You don't need to make up the fact that you're a different person and you have a copy trader algorithm, can't even spell it right, but yeah, just no one's falling for it anyway, and at the end of the day, you're just fooling yourself. So that's a message to the scammers. God will punish you. Yeah, he will. That's probably the reason why you're broke, is because you're scamming. And you're trying to get money, but you're doing the wrong thing, and God's not going to reward that. So.
Yep, and you're forgetting that the money you're trying to get is God's.
Yes.
And he sees what you're doing, so.
You're trying to take.
Give you it.
Yeah, you're trying to take God's money that he gave to someone else, not to you, and you're trying to rob God. So good luck with that.
Thanks.
Good luck with that. And I pray that any money you do get destroys you, and that it never, ever, ever multiplies for you, and that whatever you spend it on, it'll be torn to pieces and thrown in the garbage. But I pray that if you repent, that money will flow to you, and that once you start doing the right things, that God will bless that, and that money would multiply. But any money you get from scamming, I pray God curses that money on you. Scammers are out here getting nervous. They're like, oh, damn. Hold on. Let me. Hey, we can send that money back. Actually, yeah, we're not gonna need it anymore. Sorry, our algorithm doesn't work. It seems to be having some technical difficulties here. Scammers got bills to pay too.
Sounds like some scammers. So.
Right.
The funny part is they probably go to church too. Yeah, they probably do go to church.
I thought this was someone random in the chat that said that.
And all you church people, man, you gotta get your behind off the pew and get out into the streets, man. Come on. Don't come put on that little church mask, walk in there like you all good. You need to really, really believe, man, and read the word, right? And do the word.
God doesn't care that you're going to church once a week on Sunday for an hour. He cares if you do it every day.
You know where church is? Church is from Monday to Saturday. That's when the church is. What are you doing for the church Monday through Saturday? I love tea, but I'm not the scammer. Yo, scammers are quaking right now, Sam.
Yeah, scammers are quaking, right?
Scammers are gone. Yeah, you see that? And just like that, we got no more scammers.
That's asking, it's given. Right there.
Like, bro,
good morning, gang. Good morning, LeBron.
Someone's talking about it.
No.
Black and Beauty Machine. Yes, I highly recommend that. That also shows that you have zero self-control and that the enemy can throw you any which way he wants. So you need to conquer that, my friend. God did. You conquer that, and you're a different man.
Hey, SCROO or 00GE. It's coming. Coming.
Scammers are nervous.
Hi, scammers.
Are you live every day? Yeah, Monday through Friday. Yep. Oh, look at GJ there. Shout out to everyone who got into a sell-off. Oh no, that's gold, my bad. GJ coming down, yeah. But so we need a whole new range here on pound yen. Look at this on gold. This is perfect. This 4 hour, man. There was a support over here, wasn't there? Yeah. Oh. All right, this is good. This is good. Let's see how this 4 hour closes up here. We got one more 15-minute candle, so. What was the reasoning behind waiting for the 1 hour instead of the 30-minute close? We had news. Yeah, we had news come in. So this was the 30-minute that closed, but we couldn't take the position here because news was coming out. So you never want to trade during the news release because look what happened. Anyone who had their stops, whether they were, you know, above here or whether they were above here, you know, they pretty much all got stopped out. And maybe these got stopped out too, depending on the spread and stuff. But yeah, this candle came and grabbed liquidity. Right now we got the close of a 4 hour candle coming, and if we're grabbing all this liquidity, then I think we're gonna be good for the next 4 hour candle to make its way down. So that's what we're gonna be waiting on here. Yes, it's all setting up perfectly for us, chat. Just give it some time. Yeah, I think all the scammers dipped.
Did.
They're gone, bro.
Bunch of people bounced.
Scammers.
They're like, whoa, I'm out of here. Let's see here. I'm on a 50K challenge. You guys have awesome vibes. Oh, nice. Yeah, let us know how you do on your 50K challenge.
Oh.
How do you know when news is coming in? There's a website for all that stuff. So we use Forex Factory, and that'll tell you when the news is coming in. So, you know, the news here was at 8:30. It'll tell you the time right on the left-hand side there.
Kill this guy.
Daddy gets what daddy wants. Oh man, you gonna do a giveaway at 100K, 10K? Oh, 100K. Yeah, we're pushing 100K here. Yeah, we're gonna do another giveaway at 10K subs. It's probably gonna be a funded account challenge. Maybe 100K, maybe 50K. We'll see how we're feeling. Scammers dipped off to scam some different streamers. Yeah, probably like, you know what, we're gonna stay away from this stream here. We're not gonna repent, we're gonna keep scamming, but we're not gonna scam anyone from this stream.
It was the enemy and I'm running away from the word of God. That's what it was.
Yeah. They run from the power.
Exactly.
10K equals 24-hour stream. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that at 10K. So, according to our growth over the last couple weeks, we could legit hit 10K in like 5 weeks here. So, we'll see what happens. And usually when momentum kicks in, which it has, it usually gets done in half the time. So you never know. We may be at 5K within the next like 2-3 weeks here, gang.
So 24-hour stream.
Yeah, and then we'll run it for 24 hours. So,
Alright.
I'm down.
Down too.
Oh, for 24 hour?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be sick. I'll be down for that.
We're running.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, I'm on a 10K challenge. 25 days left. Is it possible to pass in 25 days?
Hell yeah.
Mama! Anything is possible! Brother, anything is possible. 25 days left? Yes, bro. You get 30. Some of y'all be quitting
Word.
on like day 20. You know what? I'll just hold that off for my next challenge. Nah, man, go for it. Go all in. Go all in. When your
Why are you
setup,
second guessing yourself?
yeah. When your setup pulls
Every
up,
day.
man, you execute, and that'll be done in 25 days. Easy.
Every day is unique in its own way by doing the same thing, right? You're doing the same thing, but they're unique. Each day is unique in its own way. Some days you'll get 0 trades, some days you'll get 2, right?
Yeah, man.
So just do it. Just stay steady, follow the plan. Don't worry about the time.
Who said that? Wangro. Yeah, listen, just take it day by day, trade by trade. Don't try and force anything. Don't try and get too much out of anything. Just take it trade by trade, right? And just day by day. Plan your trade your plan. And if you stick with a lot of the playbook setups and the setups that we take here on stream, I am very, very confident that that'll be done for you. And I don't think it's going to take 25 days. I think you may just surprise yourself and get it done a little bit quicker.
And stop worrying about the time limit, right? Act like the account is already yours and you're making money off it.
Yeah. What prop firm am I using? I'm using my Forex funds. They're scamming Raja as we speak. Holy! "24-hour stream, yes sir." When you guys run a simulation, I think we're gonna do that in about 2 weeks. So not this weekend, or the next weekend, because I'll be traveling that weekend, but the weekend we get back.
Yo, that's dead coming up. This Thursday, a week from today.
What's that? That's that monthly accountability right there. That monthly accountability check, gang. Every month. Yeah, so probably I want to say July, maybe July 6th, or you know what, maybe we'll do it this Friday, July 4th, and we'll just stream like we normally would in the morning, and instead of looking at the charts, we'll do a simulation. Yeah, I think we'll do that.
I'm down.
Do that. Yeah, Friday, July 4th, we will do a simulation during the New York session. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, that way we don't even have to do it on the weekend. You guys don't have to switch your plans, nothing. Just show up on Friday, July 4th, and we'll get a simulation popping.
Oh.
I can get Kane's soup. Love what you're doing on IG stories for the homeless. Oh, thank you, bro. Yeah, I don't really like to post that, but I know we've been talking a lot about that, so I just wanted to, show you guys. That wasn't to be like, look at me, look at what I'm doing, because I never post when I do any of that stuff. But being that we've been talking about it, I just wanted to show you guys, leaders lead from the front, right? Leaders lead, and I wanted to just kind of give you guys an example of what you can maybe do out in your own communities. So, yeah.
Yeah, no, I think that motivates people.
Yeah, I hope it encourages
I don't see
others to
nothing
do
wrong with that.
it. Yeah. Just bought my evaluation account today. Oh, nice. Can you show the spreadsheets of your trade? Yes.
Ooh, Winston Jackson might be right. July 4th, that Friday might be bang. Ooh, we'll still be here.
A bank holiday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
July 4th,
Yeah, but that's why we're
That's
gonna
why
do the simulation.
I'll do the simulation.
Yeah. So that even works better.
Yeah. That's the reason why we're gonna do the simulation that day, because it's a major holiday in the
It's a
U.S.
bank holiday.
Whoops.
Yeah. So gang, we're gonna do a simulation July 4th. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I might have a podcast. I think I might be going down to Naples to do a podcast that day. Let me confirm everything, and I'll let you guys know by tomorrow. But most likely we'll shoot to do the simulation on Friday, July 4th is live stream. So just give me a day and I'll sort everything out. 1 week left. I still have hopes. Come on, man. You can do it.
Yeah, July 4th on a Tuesday, too, by the way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Hold on.
on a Friday.
July. Oh, what am I doing here? July 4th. Oh. Why was I circling some Friday?
Dude, I have no idea.
All right. So, yeah. So
August 4th is Friday. Yeah,
Oh, I was
well,
probably looking at
I
August.
thought that was, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was a Friday too.
You guys, yeah, you're probably looking at August. Man.
All right. So July 4th is a Tuesday. Yeah. So give me I'll let you guys know on stream tomorrow for sure.
Dude, I'm not that guy, bro. What's going on right now?
Not that guy.
That guy, pal.
Is there a limit on how much prop firms will fund you? Yeah, I think they all have somewhat of a limit. Find that rewatching the stream every day after it finishes, taking notes has really helped me with my understanding. Yeah, man. I'm even seeing candlesticks on dreams now. Yeah, that's what I highly recommend. That's what helped me out a lot. Just going back on, Don stream or Rod. I would watch all them 2 or 3 times a day.
That's really what we did.
Yeah, we did that too. So if you're doing that, man, you're just putting yourself in a better position to win, right? You're just putting yourself in a better position to take advantage of the opportunities in front of you. Putting in that work. He's tightening up. Are we going to sell? We may. We may sell. Dun, dun, dun. All right, yeah, so this is also going to be the new 4-hour candle here. And remember what we're going to do. If this thing starts bleeding right out the gate, we're not going to participate in that. And we already know there will be another move coming. We need to see exactly what we want, right? What I want to see here is somewhat of a 30-minute celery play. Right, this next candle, starting our new 4-hour. Let's go to this. Starting the new 4-hour and getting just a little bit of a push up here on the 15-minute time frame, right? Getting some sort of structure looking like this because we need a 4-hour top wick. So if we can get, let's say, 1 or 2 15-minute candles that move up, and then we start to create a resistance, then you already know we're gonna continue down. So we'll have sells coming down at 9:15 or 9:30 here.
Okay. Catch the onion on the 15, the 4-hour top whip.
Just wait on it. Yep, exactly. I'll buy 10K challenge today. Oh, nice. Ooh.
Hey, yo, Forex Frank, set your, before you enter the trade, set what you're gonna do, where your vantage point is, where you're gonna close partials, where your TP is, and then just stick to that plan. Don't close anything until your vantage point's hit, where you said you're gonna close partials, and just stick to that plan.
Yep.
Then you won't be closing impulsively.
Yep.
Early.
Exactly. I rewatched July 19 stream a couple times. One of the best Forex streams, knowledge-wise, I've seen. Lots of knowledge. Oh man, Hellboy, thanks, bro. Yeah, that was a good one. All right, we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes for a new 4-hour candle here. Looking good, baby, looking good. Do you trade any other times off stream, or do you only trade while you're on stream? No, I trade off stream as well. So sometimes I'll trade before the stream, sometimes after the stream, sometimes during Asian session, and now more during London session. So those are usually where I call the signals. So anytime I take any trade, I'll call it in the signals chat. But yeah, there hasn't been many opportunities in Asian lately though, so haven't really done nothing in Asian. But there's been a few trades off stream, like after we got off, and price just having to continue, continue doing its thing. Oh yeah, look at this. There's that support we're looking for. Possible onion play here, yep. Well, 200K challenges, all nice. Subscribe, guys. Hey, thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Joseph. All right, perfect. So we got a 4-hour close here. So 4-hour close, really doji on pound yen. You're starting to get structure on the 30-minute though, and the 1 hour. So let's just keep an eye on that. And 15-minute close back above the range somewhat. So yeah, just wait on, we need a bottom wick and all that good stuff here on pound yen. And then for gold, ooh, gold closing no bottom wick. That's tough. That's tough, gang. Yeah, we gotta wait. We gotta wait here. What's the schedule for your live streams? Monday through Friday, 6:45 a.m. Eastern is when we start, to about 11 a.m. Eastern. No bottom wick, yep, no bottom wick. No bottom wick, no bottom wick. Patience. Yeah, now we gotta be patient. Let's see if this 15-minute can give us a range, and then, you know, we'll look for positions. But right now we gotta wait. What's the average signals you made by day? Do you have a public journey with your stats, with your off stream? Nah, I should have done that. What I keep doing is mixing the stats in with all of them. So, oh yeah, by the way, somebody wanted this spreadsheet, right? So you just go to the Discord, go to the announcement section. You can get our spreadsheet, and then once you get it, if you want to follow my trades, you can just, you know, follow them. But if you want to start to journal yourself, go to File, make a copy, click that, and then you can delete everything here and start journaling your own trades. And you have all the months right here, so you got, you know, you can go from June to the rest of the year, and then, you know, you could start next year doing this every trade. So I highly recommend doing it. Highly recommend tracking your trades, making sure you understand where you're at, what's working, what's not working, all that good stuff. When will you enter on the flip break? Oh, that's a good question. We discussed all that on Monday's stream. I would recommend watch everyone who hasn't seen Monday's stream, or maybe if you have, just check it out again. But we went over all that on Monday's stream, so I'd highly recommend checking that out. And I'll be making a video about that too, so that'll be up on the YouTube channel. So I'm going to be making a bunch of videos here. They're all going to be like 4 or 5, like 5, 6, 7 minute videos, and we're going to be covering all of our concepts that we use to pull from the market. Please explain how the lack of bottom wick. Yeah, so when a candle doesn't have a bottom wick, what that means is most of the time, 85% of the time, that means that there's no range for the next price to continue down in. Now, you're seeing the opposite of that now, and sometimes this is what happens. You know, sometimes that's what happens, and you just got to be cool with that. But yeah, if a candle doesn't close with no bottom wick, there's an 85% chance that this candle will pull back up. So that's why we always stay out, wait for another candle to close. So this is a rare occasion where you close a no bottom wick and price just drops. And we're still 4 minutes into the 4-hour candle here, so don't be fooled by what you think you may see here. because this candle can pull back up and create a steeper top wick for the 4-hour candle, especially with this candle closing with no bottom wick here. Yeah, let's take a look at pound yen. So no bottom wick yet on this candle. You need a bottom wick here. 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks, and although this candle is coming up here, it has an 85% chance to turn around, create a bottom wick before it continues up. So if it does come down, create a steeper bottom wick, that's going to be our stop loss, because that should be the new low, right? Here's the bottom wick. So if we can come down a little bit, maybe wait for a 15-minute candle to close here, so we have a better idea. If we stay above this range, we should be good to continue up. But if we close back below it, then we want to wait. You know, we want to wait for another candle. Just wait on it. Let's take a look at gold. Yeah, because the 4-hour needs to make a bottom wick too. So if this 4-hour can come down, I want to see how the 15-minute candle closes. Because if the 15, again, if it closes below, then there's a high chance it's going to come down and make a little bit more of a steeper bottom wick for the 4-hour candle. And then what we could do is we could just wait, right? We could wait for a closure back above and take our positions off the 15-minute time frame here. And that'll be the 4-hour flip. That'll be the 4-hour break of the highs too. So not bad. May set up for us here. Got a 24 pip stop as of right now. So not too bad. What lot size do I use for pound yen? For pound yen, usually I use like a 20 lot. 15 lot, 20 lot, at least a 10 lot. Yeah, this ain't too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, daily should continue up. All right.
Bullish pound yen.
Yep. So yeah, we'll just see what happens here. 15-minute is gonna give us a big clue on what to do. Nah, I'm not in a trade yet. Nope. No buy stops yet. Nothing. Let's take a look at what we got here to the left-hand side. What are we approaching? So yeah, we get below this support now. You have more clean traffic to continue the move down here. So we got about a 60 pip range out in front of us. We'll see if we can take advantage of that. Alright, sweet. Yep, that's the wick fill too. So nice. Very nice. Can we take a look at Euro USD? Why not? Let's take a look. Let's also take a look at US 30 because that 4-hour close did not necessarily close below. So let's take a look here. So yeah, if we get a 1 hour to close below here, then I think we'll be straight. Yeah, nothing yet here on US 30 though. And then Euro USD, where is it? Where is it? Euro USD. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So I'm not sure what you want us to look at, but we'll do a quick top-down analysis. So looks like Euro USD had some sort of resistance right here, which you closed above, came out the gate, pushed up. Now it's coming down to create that bottom wick. 4-hour candle closed, pushing down here. Looks like it closed below support as well. So yeah, you should see a move now coming down. Next level you got is kind of right in this area right here. So you got pretty clean traffic coming down here. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 1 hour. 1 hour looks good, same support. 30 minute, let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, looks good. Looks good to continue down. Yeah, 30 never closed below yet, so I guess wait for this 30 to close if you're not in a position yet, and if you are, I mean you're probably sitting pretty good. Can we check oil? Yeah, you guys want me to check Brent oil, or I think they're the same, pretty much the same thing for the most part. Oh yeah, oil worked out well yesterday. You said you got that close. Oh no, that wasn't yesterday. Yesterday we were looking for what, buys above here? Yeah, see. Let's see what that looks like on the 15. Oh yeah, that was a little tough. That was a bit tough. Let's see oil here. So let's get rid of everything and take a look at oil. Looks like you closed bullish, but notice how this candle had no bottom wick, and now this candle came down to create a bottom wick for it. So it looks like daily has broken the lows. 4 hour is pushing down pretty strong here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, you're approaching the support. So I think sells are pretty clean below this support now. You could take advantage of all this clean traffic to the left. But notice how we're rejecting. So we really need to see a candle close below here. If you can get a candle to close below this support level, then you got clean traffic coming down. That would make perfect sense. Take advantage of this full range right here. Beautiful. Yeah, that's your trade range on oil. Hey Nick, well, the signals, once you've paid, does that automatically put you in the signals chat? I paid for 3 months. Does that still include the 1 extra month? Yeah, any bundles that you guys buy this week of signals will include a 1 extra month. Yeah. If you don't see your name in the signals channel, message me on Discord. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I would wait on that for oil, and buys yeah, buys probably above this level here. Yeah, buys above there. That's what I would wait for. It's a bit choppy. If you take your buys above this resistance, it gets a bit choppy to the left. So I wouldn't want to participate in any of this chop. Therefore, I would just wait for buys and take advantage of that clean traffic. Whether you get that today, tomorrow, either way, I would just wait for it. Yeah. All right, we got a 15-minute candle that closed here on gold. Let's take a look. So 15 closed bearish here. Let's take a look at that closure on GJ. Yeah, so it closed below, so you may see a continued drive down here to create a steeper bottom wick for this 4-hour candle. Now the 4-hour did close bearish, but it did close above this level here, right? So we're probably still bullish. Still bullish. You're probably looking to create a support. It may come down here, it may come above here, but we will hang tight and wait for that to happen. See, the 30-minute is still respecting the lows as well here, so let's see. And then gold kind of filled that range, and now let's see if we can trade in this next range here. All right, future FX, you should be good. You should be in the signals channel. So just see if you can open up the signals channel, and yeah, you should be good to go. Welcome, my friend. I look forward to hearing about your future success, bro. Enjoy them, learn from them. That's what I say to you guys that are taking the signals. Just learn from them too. Take them as an opportunity to really study the trades, learn them, and so that way you're efficient and you can do that on your own. You can be able to come to the desk and do everything that I do, and it doesn't matter if you're in Hawaii, it doesn't matter if you're in Bora Bora, it doesn't matter if you're in Manhattan, it doesn't matter if you're at home, at your family's house. No matter where you go in the world, you can be able to open up your computer, view the charts like a professional, and execute and you know, make money. Make money. Let's see here. Yes, content coming this week, gang. I'm gonna start making videos and stuff today. What do you think about gold right now? Gold, we just gotta wait here. So this was the range, right? We were talking about this fill in this wick here. So it looks like price has done that. Now the next time volume is coming into the market, it may die down a bit now. So the next time that there's volume in the market is gonna be at 9:30. So if you guys look up here in the top right corner of my screen, it's 9:18. Once that says 9:30, then that's where the more volume is gonna come in. And if we can get below this range here, then we could take advantage of, you know, fill in the next range. But we got to make sure we close below here. Otherwise, we may reject and just play around in that area. So, yeah, what I'm looking for is a closure, belowsure, like this. And then we can take our positions right here. Yep, that's what we're going to wait for. Just wait on it.
Just gotta be patient.
Just gotta be patient. It's like fishing. Going fishing, just waiting for that fish to bite.
Exactly.
Yo, Nick, what about a vlog? Yeah, the vlogs are coming soon, man. Yeah, I actually did a
coming.
Yeah, I did a vlog yesterday actually, but we'll see if we put it out. Hakuna Matata. Yeah, so any one of you guys that do purchase the signals this week, you do get a 1 month free on top of your purchase. So whatever bundle it is. So yes, for whoever was asking that question, everyone's getting 1 free month. Are you doing a template off the rules I follow? Yes. So all this is all off the rules. Like nothing changes. You guys see me trade every day. You guys, if I go against my rules, then I can't fill this out properly either. So everything is based off of the playbook. Exactly how we trade on stream is exactly how I trade off stream. So same thing, nothing changes. I even listen to the music we listen to nowadays. So it's soothing music while I'm in a trade. So yeah, nothing changes. That's it. Yeah, same exact strategy. I'm in, bro. Perfect. I'm up 7% on my phase 1. Nice, dude. Just need 2% and I'll be there. Oh, amazing. Amen. Awesome.
Oh.
Good job. When is the proper time to enter gold? Probably around 9:30 here. How to plan to trade in a new range? Just in this case, a simple closure below and wait for a top wick, and yeah, we'll be in there. Thank you so much from Thailand. Hey. Which time is the volume coming? 9:30. You see another push at 9:30. Good day, coach. How do you mark up support and resistance levels? I would go back to the beginning of the stream. You have 8 minutes, or go back and watch it at a later point. But go back and watch the beginning of every stream, and you'll see exactly how I mark up my levels. Bro, I was thinking the same as fishing. Yup. Patience, man. Some of you guys sit in the boat, hang out, just have a good time, right? It's a good time for fellowship, good chatter, hang out, good thought, right? So same thing here. We're just waiting for a fish to come on over and give us a bite. And then we gonna eat. We gonna be eating. Only we ain't fishing fish. We're fishing men and women. Oh, and pips too. Yeah, and pips.
Yeah.
My evangelical side just came out. Whoa. Yeah, we're fishing for pips. Do you trade after 11 a.m.? Say, yeah, I noticed that a lot of volume comes in around noon. So sometimes I've been taking positions, especially lately around noon. Thinking about going to the funded trader. Anybody have any thoughts? I may be doing that myself. Yeah, I may be going to lock in like at least like 400, or well, I want to lock in 1,000, but I may at least lock in 400,000 real quick with them and go for the next level. Oh, there we go. Look at this. So wait for the 1 hour support now. 30 minute broke the highs early on. Yeah, I mean this could pump, but I would wait for this 30 minute to close, not the 1 hour. Wait for the 30 to close here, and then you see this level here. This is what I'm looking at. There's a level of resistance right here, and if this 30 minute candle can close above, then I believe price will start to really push up. Sean T. Oh, Stephen T. I was about to say Sean T starting to sweat. You guys remember Sean T from Insanity? Who took that program? Insanity? Insanity. It was insane. Give me a sec. Be right back.
Use a copy trader with my Forex funds in the funded trader? Yes. It's like Insanity. Insanity was crazy. I remember that.
OD to thy community. All right, Gold. Let's see what you got for us here. We got 4 minutes, 3 minutes. If this candle could pull back, that'd be nice. Pull back, stops will be above the highs to come fill the wick and potentially continue down, but we'll see. We'll see. Took Insanity, thought I was getting fat, found out I was pregnant. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. I took Insanity the best.
I've literally never had a spread problem. So, you know, what's like high spreads to some of you guys and girls? Like
4 pips, 5 pips.
Yeah, I think 4 pips. Anything above 4 pips, I would say gets a bit high. But other than that, my spreads
I
are...
feel like I've never had an issue before, like ever.
Yeah, I mean, my Forex funds spreads on GJ right now are 1 pip. And gold, 1 pip also. So not bad. Did Insanity for about a day and a half. Yo, Insanity was no joke. What are your spreads right now, Uncle Scalper?
My spreads right now are 1 pip.
1 pip on gold?
Yeah.
Dum dum dum. Yeah, I see a bunch of you guys are buying the signal bundles. Just make sure you message me on Discord. Message me on Discord so I could add your username to the signals channel. Are we watching? Nah, we're not gonna watch JP live today. Nah. Which broker is that? This is Traders Global, so they're the broker that my Forex funds uses. Yeah, I just use their broker. Do you trade with a demo account? No. No. I have this. This is my Forex funds 100K account, funded account, live account, right up here. It's live. It's hot, baby. It's hot. Or no, I don't have any sell stops yet. What if the celery plays out on the 15-minute time frame? Let's take a look. Yep, that looks perfect. That's what we're gonna look to take advantage of, I think. But I really want to see, man. We have a support right here.
Gotta like pull back.
Yeah, this is where I have that line drawn up, so. We'll see. Doom, 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 doom. It's still a demo? Awesome. Awesome. All right, cool. So 30-minute candle is just right out the gate. Same as yesterday, no top wick. If we can close below here, then that's going to be good. So let's see what the 15-minute candle does. Let's take a look at how that 15 on GJ closed. Still closed below here. Let's look at the 30. 30 closed pretty weak. So yeah, we need no clear price action just yet. Yeah, gold I believe we have to get through here. So if we can close on the 15-minute below, then I think that would be a pretty good opportunity for us. Just wait on it. Yeah, pretty strong support here though. This is what we're looking at for the support. So this is the end of the range, right? Now you have a support here. So in order for us to really be confident that we could drive in this next range, we would like to see a closure below. Closure below, that would indicate that price can continue down, but we didn't get that. So that gets a bit tough. So we rejected right here, we rejected here, and now we'll see if we reject again here. How does a funded account work? You get to keep, you get to trade the account. So if you can prove to them that you're a good trader and that you can pass their qualification process, then they fund you with the account size, and you get most companies, they give you an 80-20 split, 85-20, 90-10, or 85-15, 90-10. So yeah, that's how they work. So you get to keep 80% of the profits, they keep 20%. Yeah, so any is it real money that we trade with after getting funded? It might be, it might not be, I don't know, but all I know is that as long as that 85% comes to my my bank account, that's all I really care about. All right, as long as I get the profits in which I'm entitled for, then I don't care where the money comes from. If they're B booking, A booking, man, gang, you guys are thinking about the wrong stuff. Is the cash coming to the bank? That's what you need to be thinking about. That's all you need to be worried about. Do you pass accounts for traders? Nah, nope. Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah, I seen that they're doing a 95% profit split the deal. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, I might have to do that. I was thinking about getting 400K with them.
With a funded trader?
Yeah. Yep. Hey, can we get the likes to 1,000? Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good goal that we have right now. Let's see if we can do it. Some B book, some A book, as long yeah, B book, A book. Hey, as long as that thing's in my bank account at the end of every 2 weeks or at the end of every month, I do not care what they're doing. Shout out to all you guys that took those sells and couldn't listen to the YouTube guy. Hopefully it works out still for you. No matter how they make the money, whoa, Josio, it is real money. It's when the money hits my account and I can go spend it, that's real money. But yeah, you do know that whether you're on a regulated broker, unregulated broker, funded account, funded this, whatever, you do know that you make money when someone loses money, right? You do know that on every trade you take, there's a trader on the opposite end. And if you're winning, they're losing. You guys know that, right? You guys know that, right? How long was it? Oh, I haven't lost a funded account now, like since last year. Yeah. Yes, sir. So yeah, we'll see if we can get a closure below here. If we can get a close below, then we'll look to take positions here. I think we got more news coming right at 10. Yeah, more news coming at 10. So we got Powell speaking here, and we got existing home sales here, and then 10:30 we got crude oil inventories and all that good stuff. So we should be able to get a position. Just be patient still, right? You guys have been patient so far. Just continue to be patient. And if you couldn't be patient enough on these sells and now you're getting stopped out, just understand that patience, man, it's the name of the game here. And if you're moving it up to the highs, you're bugging. Average monthly gain, like 10-15%. All the sailors are sailing off to stop loss territory. Yep, you're heading to stop loss island as we speak. Would you look at that? Yeah, it may respect the higher, but. And what else do we notice here? This 1 hour candle closing no bottom wick, right? 4 hour candle closing no bottom wick. So yeah. Let's see, are we gonna break the 4 hour high here? You guys are holding on, man. You're like, I'm 2 pips away. Everything's going slow motion for you right now. Slow motion for you.
That 4 hour.
And there's your stop loss, and we have arrived at stop loss island. All the impatient traders can get out here. Thank you very much. Hope you have a great day. People in themselves hate us right now. Hey gang, I used to be in these cells. I'm just trying to make you realize that when we say we need a candle closure below, we need a candle closure below. Not right above, not, a little bit, not right at it. I'm talking below. Hope you enjoyed your trip, and we will see you next trade. How to control your emotions when your personal life has lots of issues. Situation, yep. It's tough, right? But that's why they say only the strong survive, and you really just gotta develop that mental toughness. I think consistency, towards your goal and your dream and that grit will develop that mental toughness. But you just, in a way, man, you gotta be bulletproof. You gotta block the noise out when it comes to your trading session. I've been there. I've had things going on in my personal life that, could have distracted me, but I remained focused on the craft, and as those things, everything gets sorted out over time too. So just keep that in mind, right? The little slogan, time heals all, like there's a lot of truth to that. So just know that it's not the end of the world. Focus on how you can better your situation. Stay mentally tough, and remember, only the strong survive. So be strong and just stay steady. Just stay steady.
Great advice. So true.
Yeah, man. All right, would you look at that? 15-minute celery, no go. 4 hour coming back up. Let's take a look at pound yen here. Yeah, GJ still kind of moving down, right? Never really got. You see how we're ranging now? So we kind of need a closure above on the 4 hour on the 30-minute time frame or 15-minute time. Closure above my yellow line here. That will indicate that we should be good to drive. But if you're entering now, this may just consolidate for a bit. You know. So just wait on it.
A lot of accounts were blown.
Mad accounts blown. Nick, when you coming to Italy? Oh, I'm coming to Italy, and they're gonna call me Nico. I want to come to Italy soon, actually. Maybe next year. Yeah, maybe next year. I want to take my wife. If YouTube guy doesn't take a trade right now, I'm kidnapping Uncle Scalp. You're gonna throw Uncle Scalp in the trunk. I'm out.
Better hide, bro.
Until I get a trade, you're not getting him back. Be like, no. What's the ransom? We'll put up anything we need to for Uncle Scalp.
Future FX at 600K. Yeah, 600K.
Shout out to Future FX. Keep an eye on that boy. He's on the come up.
Facts, I'm seeing that name a lot.
Yes, sir. He's coming. He's coming for everything that's meant for him. You're so disciplined. I wish I could be like you. Seeing the whole drop and not being in, I would be so triggered. Yeah. The drop was there, but you know our system, our closures weren't there, and you just gotta respect it. You know, you gotta respect the markets, man. You know, it's like surfing. You know, you gotta respect the water. The water can really throw you around if you don't respect it. It's like riding a motorcycle. You know, you gotta respect it. Same thing with the markets. You just gotta respect it, man. Otherwise, you can get into a crash. You can get into an accident. You can hop on the wrong ferry and head to stop loss land. You know, so you just gotta be, you gotta be in sync, right? You gotta be fluent in the market. And a lot of that comes through experience and coming up to a stream, being there, hearing someone else's, like hearing my thought processes, right, and just kind of catching on.
Yep. You wanna be fluent with the market. If you wanna speak over the market, talk over it. It's gonna slap you in the face, right? You stop you get hit.
It's gonna be like, yo, you trying to disrespect me?
Listen to the markets. Don't just hear it and talk over it. Listen to it and just don't talk.
It's like being in jail and that bully like, yo, give me that biscuit, and you're like, nah, and he's like, what? Whang! Just knocks you right off the table. Give me that biscuit. What do I gotta do here? Service requests. Don't be that guy. Listen to the YouTube.
Bro, how you get so much patient? We take 15 trades in an hour.
Oh man. That sounds like a full-time job to me. And I'm not into having a full-time job, so.
Like, we're just chilling.
Yeah, we're just chilling, gang. I'm over here submitting service requests to my air conditioning's not working here.
Bro.
We need air condition.
Where my AC at, though?
All right, I think we're good. Nope. All right, done. All right. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy. Hey, shout out to the winners of the giveaway yesterday. Shout out to the winners of the give. I always love doing the giveaways. Those are very fun. I was close to pushing sell. Ooh, DL Folder was like, must contain myself. You guys ever seen Liar Liar? The claw. He's like holding it back,
Yeah.
like, no, I want to hit sell, but I cannot do it. Hey, that's a sign that you're growing, man. You're growing in your maturity on the charts and your professionalism and that discipline muscle, baby. It's getting stronger.
Yes.
Yes, sir. That's how you know right there when you're working out. You know, you go, oh man, what's that? What's this? Is that the thing that they call a bicep? Ooh. And then, you know, you start seeing some results. So that's what DL Fowler's looking at right now. He's seeing a little bit of a bicep coming out on that discipline muscle.
Yep.
Beautiful. Just look at it. Hey, can we get to 700 likes here? I think we could do it. Oh, chat's screaming for 800 likes. Can we get to 800 likes? If they're not going to settle, then neither am I. Hey, chat. One of the quotes that drive me too all the time is if other men won't settle, then why should I? Right? There's so many other people that aren't going to settle for where they're at in life, and neither should you. If you ain't got no self-control, go do something else. This ain't for you, man. This ain't for you. Hey, Nick, what to do when Pal keeps hitting your stop loss? Yeah, man. You gotta talk to Pal about that. Big JP. Sam's got his numbers, so.
Yes, sir. He's busy right now, though. I don't know if he's gonna be able to
prepping.
hit me back.
He's prepping.
Yeah, he's gotta talk. He's gotta yap for a little.
He's got a yappy yap for a minute. All right, let's get this taken care of. Hold on one sec here, chat. Oh, look
Buddy's
at
writing a
that.
book.
Yeah. There you go. Boom, done. Look at this. Man, some of you guys, entry here, stops were here. You had a beautiful position outside of waiting for the closure below, but you had current candle stops, and then price started pushing up, and you're like, oh crap, he did say it was out of support. Let me move my stop here a little bit. Oh damn. Oh, you know what? Above these 30-minute highs should be straight. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, okay, I can't afford to move it anymore. Tapped. You tried to jump off the boat, but the waves brought you to stop loss island. You can't swim against the current, man. It's gonna be tough. Oh, there we go. Copy. Don't do it. Yeah, chat, that's the worst thing you could do too. Start moving your stops and dragging your stops, and man, it gets bad. It gets
tragic.
real bad. It gets tragic.
Yo, facts.
Ice out pad. Wrist on automatic.
You gotta call the ambulance after that. Man down, man down.
You can't even call an ambulance, bro. You'd be broke.
Facts.
All right, sweet. So let's see how this 1 hour candle closes here. And what do you know? 4 hour close and no bottom wick. Why is the next one bullish? Well, we tried to warn you. Now, if you took advantage of this, great job, right? But see how it wasn't able to sustain itself? Oh, we got some new food picks here. What you guys grubbing on? Oh, now this what I'm talking about right here. Oh yeah, that's a steak right there. Look at that, Uncle Scalp.
That shit's mowing.
Hey boys, both of you guys had the crock pot going yesterday. How was dinner for both of you guys?
Oh yeah, I seen
fire, bro.
Sam, what'd you make?
No picks for us?
Yeah, pulled pork. Nah, I got that one video.
I made a beef stew yesterday. I'm about to have that for lunch today.
Damn,
I got
slap him.
nice.
That looks fire right there.
Hey,
Yeah,
my guy's got the spread.
What's that? A chicken shawarma?
Chile.
Got his pen here too to take some notes. Oh, you're in the restaurant. Nice.
Sheesh.
Hey, man's is making money at the restaurant.
Yo, he's got his magic cheese right there.
Word.
He's showing.
Making money at Red FX. My guy, double bowling here, kid. Okay.
Yeah.
Look how
Got it
professional.
lean, bro.
Professional. Look at this. Would you look at this? That's fruity. There's some fruit there. Hey, let's see what you guys are eating. This is dope. Where you at? Costa Rica? Man, what a view.
That is dope.
What a view.
Hey.
My man's in the
You got
jungle.
the joke.
Word.
Very healthy for your eyes.
This is the last food post I did. Quesadillas. Quesadillas.
There's nothing like a chicken quesadilla, man.
Damn. You know what? I think I might go here for lunch today. This
I think
place was
I'm gonna get one today.
fire, bro. We tried it out. Hey, look at Lele over there. Lele. We tried.
It's so bad now.
Yeah. We
Like,
tried it
got a
out
tablet.
like maybe a week ago. Loved it.
That looks fire, bro.
Yeah, this was
Definitely pulling up to that spot.
yeah. I like Blake's meal right here. All natural, baby. Yeah. Yup. These are the eggs you want to get, gang.
Those eggs are fire.
If you can get these eggs, get these eggs. They're a little bit more, but these are the eggs you want. And this gets some good milk there too. Some raw milk, baby. Yeah, we also got a desk set up. So let's see where you're trading from. What's the battle station looking like for you? 800 likes, guys. Can we do it? Well, we gotta get to 700 first. Some of us are hungry here.
People
Double
are mad
bowl.
hungry now.
Light work. GJ, let's take a look. Thanks for the reminder. Let's look at GJ. All right, yep, let's wait for this 1 hour candle to close. And look, we may get our closure now above this resistance here. And once we get that, then I think we're good to continue up. So let's wait on it. Yeah, you see, 15-minute break. See all that consolidation? That's why I don't enter right away. Because although we did close above, you still want to bottom. This was the open of the candle without a bottom wick, and then price came down, made that bottom wick, and just barcoded. So now if this candle can actually close above, which it still has 6 minutes on it, so don't jump the gun right here, then we can probably take positions. So let's wait for that. Let's wait for it. 15-minute time frame, 15-minute breakout, 30-minute, you know, kind of like an onion, 1 hour onion as well. So yeah, let's hold tight and hold the line, chat. Hold the line. We got a few more minutes. Oh, look at this. Nasty. Nasty. Yup, Z Gamer, 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour onion coming up. Hey, what up, Jason? No, we didn't take any trades yet, brother. Nothing. What else we got here? Oh, hey, yo. This is clean. I like that. Oh, nice camera, bro.
My new setup's gonna be here by mid next week.
Yeah, my new setup's coming, gang. You're gonna see something. You're gonna see me in a different perspective. Probably gonna move my desk around. There's probably gonna be a wall behind me now. And I'm gonna get some cool lights. and make like a YouTube studio here. Because that's what I was waiting on too, to start creating the videos. But I think I'm gonna just start banging videos out now, and it is what it is. Once the change happens, we'll just the new videos could have that. The man on the moon right here. Nice mouse. Got the kicks. Got the light. Beautiful.
Yeah, it is sick.
Beautiful.
I think I'm gonna flip my desk around too, honestly, then I'm thinking of it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna flip her around. Oh, someone's grubbing. Hey, yo. Hey, everyone's at the restaurant. Oh, that looks good. Everyone's at the restaurant. Oh.
Pop ding.
Pop ding, wow. Pop ding, wow.
Yo, is your screen like super red because you have the blue light on your PC turned down the entire way? I've tried that one time.
Yeah.
That's what it looked like. That's literally what it looks like.
That would
Let me know
drive
who
me.
that is.
That would
Stoink.
drive me so crazy.
Yeah, I did it for like 2 hours. Well, it was just because I was just like, I just woken up. I was sitting at my PC and it was like 5 in the morning. I was like,
What's your keys on, excuse me, growing funded accounts?
Winning trades.
Yeah, just take it day by day, trade by trade. Don't worry too much about the time. I want to give you a mental perspective. Get the time out of your head, get the target out of your head, and just come to trade day in and day out. Don't worry about if you're up 5%, if you're up 2%. Don't stick with one risk, right? But if it's 2%, stick with that. If it's 3%, stick with that. But just make sure you're taking high quality setups and treat the account as if it's already yours, if it's already the live account. Don't try and rush the process. Me rushing the process on getting funded held me back so long. So if I can go back and redo it from the beginning, I would understand that, you know, just go day by day, trade by trade, stick to high quality setups. Don't worry about losing a trade. Don't worry about winning a trade. Just trade by trade. Take your position, win or loss, on to the next. On to the next. Trust me, 30 days is plenty of time to get 8%. Plenty of time, especially when you're not taking unnecessary losses. So remember, keywords here are stick to the plan or stick to the highest quality setups and just come day by day, trade by trade. Don't think too much about it. Daniel, I like this setup here, bro. Beautiful. Yeah, very nice. Patience, and remember, patience, guys. You guys have 30 days to pass that challenge. Patience. You see the sniper right there? See the guy's a sniper? That's what you want to be. You want to be sitting there waiting patiently for target, and then bink. It's like that. You start knocking them off. Bink, bink, bink. Right? Just hanging out, laying low. Look at GJ. Look at GJ. Look at gang. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes here. We gotta wait. Yeah, that's why I got my blue light glasses. Gotta block that blue light.
Need to get them ones.
Yeah, you do.
yeah, especially if you're gonna be in the money.
Oh yeah, bro.
That'd be game changer.
Back.
I don't know, maybe you want it to keep you up.
Yeah, it will.
Gonna buy them.
GJ gone. Thank you for your insight. What funded company do you use? I use my Forex funds. Yeah, I use my Forex funds. Trade with them. Yeah, they're pretty good. They're pretty good. I've never had an issue with them. So, yeah, they're, in my opinion, they're the big dog. They're the alpha on campus. That's what I would go with. After I do get funded with the funded trader, I'll give you guys an update on how I feel about them and all that stuff too. All right, here comes the news now. So let's see what happens on gold, man. But it looks like we grabbed some more liquidity. Let's take a look at pound yen here, closing in just a couple seconds. So yeah, it's pushed up a little bit too high. Let's see if it could pull back a little. Caleb, I don't know what program that you use, but I don't have that. And if you do have that, it's very simple solution. Just open up a 0.01 and take a trade every day. Take it and close it.
What was he saying about the 3-day minimum?
I think that's the rapid one that you're talking about.
Yeah, it's definitely not the evaluation.
Yeah.
Because I had MFF and I didn't have that problem.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I think you must be on Rapid or some other program. All right, so 30-minute close bullish. We got some news coming out here. Let's see. Maybe we can get the close below now, right? On the next 15-minute candle, we close below support, and then we'll be in that. We do have an onion, but there is news coming out here. So, Mr. JP is about to enter the building. Yeah, Caleb, you were looking. I think you might have been looking at Rapid. I've never had that on my account. Oh wow, that's pretty funny actually. Pretty funny. Yeah, you may have been looking at the wrong one. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I really want my Forex funds to kind of make some, keep up with the rest of the companies. I know that they're like the standard, but I want them to start, we need more capital. You know what I mean? Like we need more capital. So I hope that they can make some decisions at the company over there and possibly get us $1 million challenge. We'll see. So let me take a look at spreads here. Yeah, spreads are about 4 pips. So this is the news right now. We can't really do anything here.
You gotta wait on it.
What's your highest drawdown this year? I think I was like maybe what? I think it was on that 2-hour trade that we took. It was about maybe like almost 4,000 in drawdown. $3,700, 3,800, something like that. Something light. I ain't afraid of no drawdown.
Part of the game.
Yeah.
Part of the game.
Part of the game, baby. GJ, well, you got no bottom wick, so that's my big thought right there. Is no bottom wick. Plus, we're kind of at resistance. If you got no bottom wick, I mean, I don't know how you're gonna enter. Maybe off the break of the high, but the break of the high is right here at resistance, so it gets tough to take that position there. So nothing for me on pound yen right now. And same with gold. We need gold. We need to see where this news takes us, and if we can close below, gang, we're gonna be in this position. No doubt about it. That'll also be a 1-hour breakout / onion as well off of resistance. I mean a 30 minute. What do you risk on each trade? 10 lots. So whatever our stop is, that determines the risk. So if we're risking 20 pips, then risking 2%. If we're risking 30 pips, I'm risking 3%. If we're risking 4%, then yeah. How do you deal with tilt? What's tilt?
Tilt.
Is that a
It's like
acronym
a video
for
game
something?
term.
Huh?
It's like a video game term, like rage.
Oh, rage? Oh, I don't get rage.
Emotional.
Yeah, I don't really get too emotional. I think the Bible helped me out with that, to be honest. Also, just knowing that things take time and there's a process, and anger is it's immature. Little kids get angry, right? Grown adults, they shouldn't get angry. They should understand how to process things in their brain, in their mind, and come up with solutions. So anger is just a bit immature to me, and when grown people get angry, I look at them and I picture them sucking their thumb or having a little binky in their mouth.
Facts.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a poker term too. Thank you, Timmy.
Oh yeah, poker turn. Tell that to my ex.
That's hysterical.
That's funny.
Dum, dum.
Tell that to me.
Tell that to my ex. Well, good thing she's your ex. Volume seems to hold back. XAUUSD buy, do sir? Whoa. Got dizzy there for a second. Let's peep our US 30 here. Let's see what happened with this. US 30, still nothing. You see that? Nothing yet. What else did we look at here today? We looked at oil. Nothing yet on oil either. How did that 4 hour or 1 hour close? Yeah, you see how the 1 hour closed a bit short. What else did we look at? We look at Euro USD, I think, right? Euro USD. Euro USD was what? Bullish? Yeah, bullish off the higher time frame. So it looks like you may get your range 2 here. So just wait for a resistance, and then let's say the candles close like this. You got your resistance. You could take your sells coming down, or you could just wait for a close below here now. So you got your new support, you got your new possible resistance, and then you wait for a close below, and there you have it. Euro USD will go downtown. So this is good here on gold, because right now what we need to do is we need to get. What we're doing is we're in the yellow range, and in order for us to take a really good position with a lot of confidence, we got to get in the purple range. So that's what we're looking for right now.
Yes,
We
sir.
do a little trolling, yeah.
We're doing our job as a trader. We're patiently waiting.
Oh, what's
For the
this?
best trade.
Oh, look at this setup. Oh man, this is sick. Beautiful. What you got? What you got? What you got? Very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna get a chair like this next. I don't know why I'm sitting in a gaming chair still. Yeah, I need a better chair here. We got more food picks. Hey, yo, early. Oh, dang. Oh, wow. That's insane. Purple Ranger, yep, exactly. What do you think about top tier? I don't know. I have never used them before, so I'm not too sure. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I never used top tier. And can't really give an opinion, you know, unless I've done it myself, so. Gold needs a Viagra. The close on Euro USD, what time frame? I would say 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 30-minute time frame. Yeah, wait for a new closure below here now, and then you got all clean traffic to the left. But again, remember that the daily is bullish, so just keep in mind that sells are secondary. If you get some sort of like closure above, let's say this level here, then I would say, you know, buys are going to be valid still, because you are bullish based off the daily time frame. So once you get past that, you know, candles were able to push up, candles were able to push up, so it shouldn't be an issue here as well. You just got to wait for a closure. Come on, gold. We're giving gold one last shot here. if we don't have anything by this 10:30 candle, we're probably gonna call it a day. Where's prop firm company? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, that's honestly some of the word I've heard is but I don't know because I never use them. So. Let's see, what did GJ do? So nothing much. You know, you couldn't have entered on the open, right? I mean, you could have, so you broke it. Maybe 14 pips, not bad. Why do you like trading off the 30 minute? 30 minutes, very good confirmations, and a lot of time 30 minute will be, you know, during the volume times as well. So, you know, what you're really thinking is, hey, where's this next 1 hour candle gonna go, right? And based off the 30 minute, how could we get there? So, I think this 1 hour candle shouldn't have a problem coming down to 1913, but we do need to see a close below here. So the 30 minute closure would indicate that this 1 hour candle has what it takes to get down there. So it's just really good confirmation. Yeah, the 15 wasn't bad either, but we had news, so that's why we didn't enter. If we didn't have news here, I would have entered on the 15 minute, but spreads were a bit high. I like your style of trading. Keep it up. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Hey, chat, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and we're here every day, Monday through Friday, so come hang with us, come vibe with us. Oh, this is a vibe right here. Hey, that looks good. Yum. Solid. Solid. What's this? Is that grilled cheese or something? That actually looks really good. Got some grilled cheese in there?
Yeah, I saw that, Austin. That was interesting. They like lost their broker or whatever yesterday.
Oh, I seen that. What the heck?
Yeah,
They're all from MetaQuotes.
Yeah, so it's like they're trying to get on a new like platform. Like what? The only ones I know of are C-Trader and MetaTrader. But yeah, I don't know. That's interesting. I've never heard of something.
What the hell?
I just don't understand. I don't even know how that would work. They got kicked off the whole, or I don't know if they got kicked off. I don't want to say anything because I don't know, but like they can't use MetaTrader. I don't know.
Weird.
Interesting none the least. That's all I know. Doom, doom, doom.
Was below Goldie? Yeah, facts for the facts.
Yeah, give it a little bit of a bleeder for us. Bleed a little more.
For real. I love a mic close below.
Top tier scamming people. See, don't jump to the conclusions, you know? There's no solid evidence.
Yeah.
So it's like, and then why even worry about it? What does that have to do with your life anyways?
For real, why waste your time and energy stressing about it?
Same thing with Uncle Ted CoffeeZilla. Someone just asked to. Same thing with that. Like,
Facts.
you know, like what? I don't know. Like even if it's true, if it doesn't personally affect you,
Exactly.
just forget about it. Send me a PM on Discord. Let me look. Yeah, well, you must have sent to the wrong person because I don't have any messages from anyone. Oh, wait, hold on. It's in my pending.
Very cold, close to me.
Oh, 15 didn't close below. Let's see what the 30 does.
This will be 10:30 because I got a dentist at 11.
Nice. Yeah, we'll be done by then. Unless we're in a trade. The kids are up.
Those.
The kids have awakened. All right. Final call for alcohol here on this 30-minute candle. Final call.
Count that.
Tap your monitors, boys.
I got bad luck with that. I'll pass.
Yeah. Sam breaks monitors.
I ain't touching it. Yeah.
He doesn't just tap them; he punches them.
Well, no, that's what made me punch it is because I tapped the screen and it broke.
Oh,
I was like, well,
really?
It's broke. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
That's the original crack?
Yeah, that's what the original tiny little crack was up in the corner. Because I went like this and I was pretending I was like swinging at the camera. And then I like literally bumped it and it broke. The whole thing was destroyed. It had rainbows going across the screen. And I was just like, bro, are you serious? Off of one tap? Yeah, so then I slugged it. Because I was like, if this gives me at least one chance to punch a screen. It's already broken.
Let's take
you know
a
what
baseball
I mean?
bat to
Nah.
it.
Yeah, everyone
Facts,
gets
so
to-
you might as well just punch it and
Right?
destroy it.
So,
Yeah. So what I want to see here, gang, is I want to see this candle push down a little bit. Right? If we can get this candle to, let's say, push down and then pull back, excuse me, and close below, then we'll take sells coming down. But it's gotta line up for us. It's gotta look
You know what-
good.
you know what's crazy is only the OGs in this chat will know what we're talking about.
Yeah,
with that
that's
video.
right. Some of you guys are like, what are they talking about? This guy broke a screen?
I got tilted.
You got tilted?
Tilted.
Oh, I'm really learning discipline this week. Very nice. Amazing.
Hey, W week.
It's a W week, baby. Is US 30 safe to buy? Let's take a look. Maybe in 11 minutes here. But you gotta wait for this candle to close here, my friend.
Hey, Red Effects cracking out his 100 push-ups.
Bang it out.
Oh,
Oh,
you could legit do so many push-ups during the session, like after like a candle closure.
722 likes. Appreciate you guys liking the stream. If you haven't liked the stream, drop a like and sub to the channel, man. We're cruising, baby. We're cooking. 5,200 coming in hot. 10,000 is coming. The Lord is pouring his blessings down in Myrtle right now. Oh, it's raining over there, Scott? Yeah, it rained really hard over the last 2 days here. That's why, we had to go down and give people new, fresh, dry socks, underwear, shirts, feed the bellies a little bit yesterday. Oh, what happened here? It's always raining in Seattle. Should I quit my job? I literally hate this place.
Why are you asking?
Are you asking me or
But
Sam? If you're asking
this is the
Sam,
thing.
Sam can give you the answer for that.
Do you have another source of income?
Sam's gonna give
I
some
mean,
financial
this is-
advice right now and come back and get sued later.
Yeah.
He told me to.
This is the thing. If you really hate it, you have the option to quit.
Yeah, no one's making you stay.
Right.
You could always find another job.
Exactly. And that's why I said source of income, because it
Yeah.
could be, it doesn't have to be a job. No, keep it legit though. Don't be doing that. I'm not gonna even give any ideas, bro. But yeah, we'll say no scamming, nothing like that.
No
the
trolling.
Lord is watching. No trolling. But if you really hate it, nah, bro, get out of there.
Facts.
Can't do something you don't want to do.
Dip, baby, dip.
Yeah, I'm smelling it.
Yeah, I'm smelling a little trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
All right, let's see. Okay, perfect. This looks good. Looks good. Give it 9 minutes here. 8 minutes and 25 seconds to be exact. This is the exact wick I wanted. Now I just want to see it close, kind of just like the way you're seeing it now.
Hey, we just gotta let the charts finish
It's
what they
coming.
want to tell us, and then we'll talk. Be respectful.
Yep. So we were negotiating a deal currently right now with gold, 30-minute time frame, and our deal is gold. You want us in the market, and we'll get in the market under certain circumstances, and those circumstances are very simple. You need to close below this level. You need to leave a wick for us. If any of these are not part of our deal, then the deal is off. You need to leave a wick for us. You need to close below, and you need to give us somewhat of a top wick here. And if you can do that, we'll enter on the break of the lows or the flip of the candle, and we will hold positions down till 1914, and then see if we can get runners to go down to 1904. But if you don't man up to your end of the deal, then we have no deal. And that's the negotiation right now. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're interested in. So we'll see if gold will give us that deal.
We literally just talked about rearranging desks. I literally just rearranged my whole desk.
Did you?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
We just teleported.
Dude,
Hey,
when
yo.
I get like an idea in my head.
It's
Gotta take action.
Uncle Swing now. He's no longer Uncle Scout. Uncle
can see
Swing.
I
my
like that.
I
I
see my
like that
painting in the
better.
background.
Yeah, I like it. Looks good.
There you go.
That's
Yeah,
the.
it's better than
What is that? A
what was
portal
before.
into another land over there?
That's a vision.
That's how he
board.
gets outside.
That's how you get outside.
That's my vision board.
Hey,
He goes.
check the socks, Nick. Oh yeah, they're good. Socks are good.
Oh,
Socks are always good nowadays. See that? Look. See what you guys need to do. Uncle Scalp, he rearranged his room. Red FX banged out 100 push-ups. You guys are pressing the buy and sell button. Big difference.
Facts.
The other guys in the chat are exercising the discipline muscle, and you.
Yeah, Austin. That really is the Florida compound vision. I don't know. Could you guys see it?
I could see
Like a
some
little
trees. Yeah, I can see it.
We got palm trees in the background. We got the Lambo outside, and we got the jet outside.
Abdullah Swing.
With
see
the
it.
jet too, you got a whole runway, yo. That is actually crazy.
Deal
Imagine-
Scout in the building.
Imagine
Not at
having a
all.
runway in your backyard.
My index finger is tired from holding the button. He's got it down. You know how you can hold it down and it doesn't execute until you let it go? He's still got this thing down. Like, should I do it? Should I not do it? The claw, the claw.
5 minutes.
5 more minutes, gang. Can you wait? Can you do what I'm doing and just chill out? No, I'm not holding it down. No, you're holding that discipline down. Holding down the discipline.
Those of you who haven't took any trades today are showing great discipline and great patience. So W.
We like to get a little stretch and a little pump, eh? We like to troll a little too, eh?
Like do a little bit of trolling.
We got 5 minutes here, gang.
Good job.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Oh, man.
So let me set up here. Let's set this party up. $19.14 down here. Yeah, let's see what happens. Daily later. Yeah, looks good. We want to see a candle pull back now. We want to see the candle pull back a bit. Just wait on it. Make us a bottom wick, please. Yeah, we want to see a pullback now. We don't want gold to go any further. No top wick on the 5. Pull back. Yeah, seller play in the 30-minute. Yeah, yep. The only thing was we were just above that support, so it's tough to take it. I've noticed that if you're taking a seller play while it's still in support or in the range, then it doesn't really work out as much. So sometimes it does, like you're kind of seeing now, but for the most part, you know, you won't see that.
There's support there that like had 2 rejections.
Yeah.
2 wicked rejections.
Yep. So let's see if we can pull back.
3.
I'm gonna go start a GoFundMe. Where do I find the signals in the group? In the signals channel. Signals. Signal. Oh, desk setup. 1 more. 2 more. 3 more. Hey, nice. Oh yeah, that's clean. I like this. Nice and simple. Nice and simple. Yeah. Oh, you're doing some remodeling, huh? Got some remodeling going on. Oh yeah, there you go. You had to be sure to let us know that. He's like, I don't want these guys to think I live in an abandoned building in Baltimore. One of those videos from The Wire. Yeah, Signals chat is down here. Yeah, if you guys want to, if you guys want Signals, I'll put it in the link here. So anybody that purchased Signals, you guys get a free month. So there's a 1 month. If you guys want to purchase the 3 month, I'll send that link too. And you guys can purchase it right here. So no matter what bundle you buy, we have just 4 bundles: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. So no matter which one you buy, you get a free month of Signals from now until the end of the week. All right, 1 minute. Can we pull back? Okay, so yeah, didn't really get the pullback we needed. If we can get a pretty steep top wick, like a 20 pip stop wick, top wick, I might be interested in, see that low that it made? So now that it made a low, if it can come up and re-break this high and come up a little bit more, then I may be interested in having sell stops here. Let me just look left. I want to see if there's anything that's going to hold us up. Ooh. What's this? Ooh. Yeah, that's too close, I think.
Not even 10 pips away. I mean.
Yeah, maybe if it re-breaks the high again, then we can set them on the lows, but not going to take anything right here. Do you enter on live? Yeah. Yeah, if I enter, you'll see me enter right here. But to be honest, I will probably call it a day because yeah, kind of closed right at that support level. And yeah, see that support level right here? So let's look, what does that look like on the 1 hour?
Like 9-10 pips, like.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be taking this here, gang. Yep. Yeah, I don't think so. Don't think so. I think that's it. I think maybe if we get a seller play, I'll call that in the signals channel. But other than that, I don't think I'm gonna take a position off of this candle here. May get a 30-minute seller play, but
because we got support like not even 10 pips away.
Yeah. Yep. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it. That's gonna be the day. Not bad, not bad. I would hold off. I wouldn't take these sells if I were you guys. I would definitely hold off and wait for this 30-minute candle to close. And if I do take this position, it'll most likely be a seller play, and it'll be you know, in the next 30 minutes. So if I do take any other positions, I will be sure to send them in the signals chat. But I think for our time together, I think it is coming to a close here, gang. So great job at being disciplined today. For those that weren't and didn't turn out too well for you, just take that into consideration for tomorrow, and understand that that leads to nowhere, right? It leads to pain and misery.
Yep.
So stay away from them unnecessary trades and avoid those unnecessary losses. And yeah, we'll come back tomorrow and get to do it all over again. So appreciate you guys. If you guys could spam the chat with W's, because either way we won the day, right? So W's coming in, W's going out, and that's the new motto here.
W patience
Dubs.
and W discipline.
Yes, sir. W discipline, everyone. Great job today.
Following the plan.
Way to follow the plan. Yep. So, alrighty, gang. Love you guys.
Peace.
Love y'all, bro.
Love you guys.
Uncle
Love
Scalp,
y'all.
Sam,
See you
Nick.
tomorrow.
Peace,
John.
boys.
Damn, see
We
you tomorrow.
will see you
Yeah,
guys
catch up.
mañana. Gators, don't have FOMO either. Don't have FOMO.
Peace, chat.
Just chill. Alright, gang.
Yo.
Hey, sub to the channel, like the stream on the way out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright?
See you guys tomorrow.
There he is. He's gone. He's gone. And I'm gone. Oh, stream starting? Nope. Stream is ending. Later, gang. Hope y'all have a great day. Peace. God bless.